Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode, where are we at tonight, man? We're like an episode of 471. Dude, that's 471. Technical analysis for crypto. Bitcoin stalling. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. So, Pest, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Nine Donkey, Joe, what's up? Autoflips, what's up? AD, what's up? G Hopper 71, hi. Thank you for being here. Soka, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here as well. The Pest says, hey. What is up, guys? What is up? Thank you for being here. I'm changing my setup. I changed a little bit of the sound settings as well. I hope you can hear me much better now. Should not be clipping. Voice should be more or less stable. And I hope you can hear me a little bit better, man. The Bitcoin Mob, bro, you look tired. How are we doing tonight? I'm doing good, man. I'm fine, actually. I'm not tired. I'm not that tired. It was a good day today. Bitcoin J, Rockets, yes. Sounds better and more clear. Thanks, AD. I was messing around with some mic settings to try to get my voice to come out much better, less distorted. And I want to do that prior to me getting the new mic on Monday. I'm going to have to readjust with the new mic. But it's going to be much better. Also, better mic placement, right? It's right here. You cannot see it, but I'm actually touching the mic right now. And it's really cool. Lisa, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Salutations to Australia. Let's keep rolling. I'm going to start with the market cap. Let's get that going on. So with the mic so close, I'm actually not going to have to scream that much. You guys are going to be able to hear me much better. Because even if I speak very soft, we're staying within range. That's awesome. And I hope you can hear the clicks a little bit better. I try to isolate them from the main sound, right? Which used to be an issue for people. Todd, Pure Point, how's it going? Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Happy Friday, Hal. Ducky D, hey. Let's move on and start looking at graphs, right? I mean, we're not going to be done with the graphs. We can start looking at them. Happy Friday. Hello, Tristanillo. The Pest Hole's also here. Elon Musk wants Dogecoin on Mars. That's going to be interesting, right? If that happens. Let's see how that thing's going to come through. So many people in. I'm so grateful for everyone that is here. I really appreciate y'all. And all the support you give to this awesome community. So, on that note, let's start doing the technicals. What is happening with market cap? We see that Bitcoin, or everyone dropped, right? We're below the trillion market cap, right? We wanted to be above that area so bad. It just really sucks that we're below there. Tiger PK, thanks for being here. I told you guys losing that trillion market cap was going to be trouble for action and downside. We're still below that trillion market cap. Still not 100%. I don't believe 100% that we're on the way to recovery. I do believe we got some pullback. That's fine. We had a massive drop. We didn't pull back as quick as we were pulling every other day, right? Like here we pull back a lot. Here we pull back a lot, right? Here we drop. We just didn't get that pullback. So I believe we got pullback today. Weekend, I hope it's going to be slow. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping for a slow weekend. Slow weekend's going to be fine, actually. I do want a slow weekend. Although we've been getting a lot of traction, so many people coming in. Again, yeah, really want to see how things go, right? Anyways, guys, I don't think I said this part at the beginning, but if you like what we do, hit like the bell and the sub. Again, this is the Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here tonight. And I hope you all enjoy the show. If you have any comments, please put them on the comment box. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave them below. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Also join us here. You can also join me on Twitter. Links also in the description, right? Have you looked at gold to Bitcoin yesterday? Went to sleep after a while. Yeah, dude, I did. I did go and look at that. I'll put it on the list again today, just in case you can catch it. So I'll just put it here. XAU to BTC, right? Or whatever. Either way. So let's keep rolling. I do have a beer right next to me. I feel like opening it already. It is Friday. I want to take it easy. XAU to Bitcoin. Yeah, sure, man. Thanks for putting it in proper request format. I really appreciate that. Anyways, hitting bullish divergence, right? We are waiting for a potential bounce. We also have this against the RSI as well, right? So we're dropping slightly lower on that RSI. So we're looking for some kind of recovery happening there. And again, it's going to be pretty tight for market cap, right? I mean, we did get a pump already. Not sure if we're going to be done with this. Again, it's hidden bullish. It might not play out as strong. We could fail to go higher than the previous high. And on that, we could be looking for a potential drop. The pullback wasn't as strong. We did get some resistance up here. You know, we did pull back down a little bit. I would have loved it if we would have crossed. It would have just closed the candle without wick to the top. It would have been much more bullish. But the fact that we pulled back down a little bit, it's a little bit bearish. Anyways, auto flips. Can I do a video on how to set up TradingView? Yeah, that's a great idea, man. I actually am working on something, right? I am working on something for static videos. One of my mods is helping out with some logo tweaks. And we are going to have a State of Crypto education area, right? So we're going to have something there for you guys to come over and watch some stuff, videos later on, you know, trading basics and things like that. That, you know, it's things that are easy to pick up on and might help you out with your tradings, right? And yeah, so we're looking for cool stuff like that, right? So yeah, that's one of the things that we are trying to do, right? Which is going to be really cool. So yeah, TradingView could be there, right? Sorry guys, if you hear that click, it was a pen. I was just writing that on the notes. Yeah, I'll try to not unclick the pen throughout the day. Might help a little bit. Yeah, let's keep rolling. Yeah, it's just need time to sit down and film them, right? There's actually going to be a news section coming out soon where I'm just going to talk about the news with, I think Soka's going to help me out with that. And Soka and I were going to be talking about the news on that. And, you know, short 15-minute segments on news. Interesting, right? Let's keep rolling. That's it for market cap. So Bitcoin is very likely going to do something similar. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping, right? It dropped yesterday, 0.44. Today, still dropping, 0.53. Again, I'm not worried about Bitcoin dropping dominance. I'm worried about alts not gaining terrain with positive price action, right? Anyways, Bitcoin at 33,580. That's where we closed on the CME. So we're done, right? CME is closed. Gotta wait for it to open again on Monday. We'll see how that's going to work out. So, price of Bitcoin, 32,395. We're way below that 33,580. So, if we manage to stay around this level, we're going to have a gap up to the opening on Monday's bell, or Monday's opening, actually, right? Sunday night. And we could be trying to aim to close that small gap to the upside, which could get us again close to 33,500. Let's see how the weekend behaves. The price of Bitcoin at 30,402, man. Edge bar, sure, man. Sure, man. Get it down. Let's keep rolling. Bitcoin, we're looking for this hidden divergence, remember? We did manage to muster a little bit of that. Getting that pump, holding on to support at 30, what is the lowest here? 29,000, but we actually have a support there at, I think it's at 30,000, which one was this, man? 30,000, yeah, 700, and this one's at 30,000, oh, sorry, the 29,100. That's the one I have down here, 29,179. Managed to hold support there, pump back above, right? The 30,675. We would manage to get it back above where I have my alert. Remember, I told you guys we want to be above this level, the 31,432 for Bitcoin to do good. And although we managed to pump, we did pull back down slightly and close below the $33,090 area, which I would have loved it if Bitcoin would have stayed above here. We would have gotten a real good shot of trying to get above the 34K again and undo this massive drop. Right now, you know, we moved up, we hit some resistance. Now we're opening at resistance and we're starting to move back down. So I'm not liking that bit a little bit, right? JK, thanks for being here, man. And Andrew, thanks for being here as well. Dorvalis is on the road right now. You won't be active, but you're listening. Thanks, man. Thanks for listening. Drive safe. Let's keep rolling. What else is happening here, guys? What else is happening with Bitcoin? Again, it's a slow day, right? I mean, we did pump a little bit. Right now, starting to go down slightly, but not too much. Again, that bullish divergence, right? That hidden divergence. We also developed it against the RSI, right? Surprise. Neutral at 48.05. Again, like I said, I'm not super confident in Bitcoin yet. Let's go to short time scales. Let's see if we can find something there that could be interesting. I do believe we have some fibs here. Savior Chan, yo, what's up? JK, howdy. Or JK, actually, I should say, because we have another JK here. So, thanks for being here. We are holding support at 382, which is fine again, but we're still below at 236 on this larger fib scale. I would love it if Bitcoin had recovered better again. I didn't like the recovery it did, so it really doesn't put it on the best track. William Un, hello. Thanks for being here. Do you guys have GameStop stock today? Yeah. It's still, what is it? Wall Street Bets. They're still pumping that. So it's insane, right? It's insane that they're still pumping that. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, on the 4 hour, right? Again, we had the bullish divergence hidden. Potential action to the upside. We started to recover. We had that last night, right? This was our 6 p.m. candle. This was our 10 p.m. candle. So we managed to recover a little bit, pull back down. I didn't like this pullback, to be honest. I thought we were going to go much lower. I'm glad that it recovered. All right, recovered nicely again, pushing back down right now. Not liking what we have. High, low, positive, high, low on the other side. We don't have anything bearish. I was really looking forward to this cross of the MACD going over the signal line as we were above that 200 moving average, right? According to MACD strategy, that would be an awesome entry. But the fact that it's just failing to go higher right now, it's not giving me a lot of confidence, right? Sometimes we do get this crosses like we do here, but they fail to perform fairly well. So, you know, not really liking the cross right now. I was really looking forward to it. It's not quite there yet. Andrew says it was $4 in March. Now it's like 65. I know they've been pumping it in Wall Street Bets. So I don't go in stuff that's being pumped publicly, because I know you don't know who else is behind that, and you could get into some trouble, right? Look, DeVos. Right, we're going to talk about Ethereum in a little bit, right? Neutral, 43.12. Let's see where we're at. Remember we drew something and we said, look, we might have a potential falling wedge now, right? We wicked it. Let's see if this falling wedge could come into fruition, right? We had the triangle. We said, okay, we broke the triangle to the downside. We're bouncing a little bit. Could be that we're not really in a triangle. We're shifting to a falling wedge, right? This was a triangle we broke out of. A measure move that would put us around the $19,500, $20,000 area. Again, hoping that it's a falling wedge that we're in, right? That would be a bullish indicator. Don't short GameStop. They're still going to pump it more. You're probably going to get liquidated. So that's what I'm looking at right now here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And then on the 1 hour chart, we had some bearish divergence, right? Look, we had it to here, moved this down slightly. We had it to here, moved this down slightly. Even I talked about this one on the Discord. I posted it then. We, impulse up. So we flagged a little bit, impulsed up. Again, strong or hidden bearish divergence. We just kept on moving that, right? So we anchored it here. I'm going to get rid of this one real quick, and I'll explain to you why. They all played out. We just talked about them. So I don't want to have too many lines on the charts. I keep getting reminders that I have too many lines. I already deleted way too much stuff on older charts, right? From like way back. So we'll see. Anyways, from me to here, and then it's from here to here, right? And I deleted one that I wanted to keep here, but that's fine. This one just goes to there. And on that note, we still have this this hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, and we're moving down on that. We did try to hold on support here at 33,090. We failed. Faced resistance there. Rejected that area. Starting to move down. Again, not the strongest looking right now. I really, really wish we had something better here. And low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a higher point. Neutral at 49.57. The other thing I kind of like, and it's not even going to be that strong, it's just multiple choice test. What's up, MA? What's a multiple choice test? I didn't catch that. I was really hoping for Bitcoin to be a little bit more bullish and at least get above this area, right? And it could be that we're consolidating a little bit before we actually try to run again. It's fine. But like I said, I'm not really loving the way this is looking, right? It looks like we're failing on a pullback. So we're like actually going to go up high, strong, and we just failed. So let's just hope it's consolidation, and we're going to get continuation. I'm not seeing anything bullish right now to like give me that hope, right? Like a hidden bullish or anything like that. It's just there. Elio, thanks for being here. Final record, good evening, thanks for being here. Turkey Sitar, yo. Haha, thanks. We'll see how this is going to keep on playing out for Bitcoin again. Not really liking it that much. We're getting that cross of the MACD under the signal line. That's going to bring negative momentum. Let's see if we can manage to build something good here. At least some kind of stalling, maybe a little bit negative momentum, try to reverse that. But again, not really liking the way it's looking, right? Let's go check out. On the 15-minute, we had something. I posted on the Discord as well. But I don't think I drew it on this chart. I think it might have been on this chart that I drew that. Nope. Which chart? Did I go and put that inverse head and shoulders, man? I put in the Discord an inverse head and shoulders. And I can't find it. I doubt I deleted it. Maybe my chart didn't save, but... Is it in this one? Oh, I can't find it! Anyways, we had... Sorry, guys, I just bumped the mic. We had an inverse head and shoulders. API 3, sure, man. To USD, sure.
Made some big money on XTC. Can you go over ZEC for me? Also, how do you feel about Biden extending many programs with executive orders? Do you think that plays any part?
Wow, awesome. Thanks for that great $3 tip, John Smith. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Alex Vision, thank you for being here. Michael Jensen, thank you for being here as well. Am I still thinking requests? Yes, dude. I just, they haven't been filled yet. So the Teslas, sure, man. You made big money on Teslas? That's fine. Zcash. Awesome. Yeah, sure, man. I'll do it right after Bitcoin, actually. Biden extending many programs with executive orders. Do you think that plays a part? Yeah, dude, I haven't really been following what programs he's been extending. I just saw Janet Yellen being like really bearish, like but Bitcoin's used for, or now crypto's used for criminal activities, right? The same speech that they had. It's just like people that failed to update and failed to see that cash is used a lot more for illegal activities than crypto. I mean, it has been used for illegal activities, but it's highly traceable. How do you think they found all those people on Silk Road? Because it's highly traceable. It's much more traceable than cash. Criminals are not going to be wanting to use any kind of like public blockchain things like Bitcoin, right? Because it's highly traceable. Good evening, Carthago. Thanks for being here. CRV USD, sure, man. So I've not been keeping up with what he's signing, dude. I gotta do that probably on the weekend. Someone requesting solo to the dollar. Sure, man. Or sol, sorry. Yeah. Did she flip her opinion today? I'm not sure, dude. I didn't read that. That's interesting. Hey, airdrop. Thank you for being here. Yo. Let's keep rolling. On the 15-minute, right? I posted on the Discord. You might have seen it. It was an idea that I was flirting with for inverse head and shoulders here on Bitcoin. Something like that. Probably, was it in the half hour maybe? And I'm like really like messing this up. Might have been on the half hour, man. I thought it was in the 15-minute. But probably not this chart. Was it this chart? Nope. This chart. Yep, this chart. Ah, it's a half hour. See? I thought it was a 15-minute, but I found it. So let's see. XRP, USD, and exchange. Shem, yeah, that's already on the top 5 that we do, man. So Xavier, no problem. I was looking for Bitcoin, right? Head and shoulders on the half hour. We broke the neckline, which is fine. Measure move would have gotten us to 34,000, 550. And I was really looking to get to this area. We're rejecting what used to be, the support of this triangle. I'm not liking that because that could give validity to the part that we were in a triangle. We broke out of it. We're coming back in. We try to come back into a triangle. We're rejecting it, thus proving that this is a resistance. It might break down from there, right? It's again, it's not the best indicator. I want to believe we might be in a falling wedge, but I'm not really liking the way this is playing out. I would have loved it if we would have broken back into this area, at least to retest or hit this measure move. 34,500 would have been awesome for Bitcoin. Not seeing that, it's a little bit of a bummer. Again, that's what I want to talk to you about, right? That head and shoulders that was playing out, inverse head and shoulders failing to play out right now. Not liking it again. Impulse up, consolidation, not the worst looking. Looks like a sort of downsloping flag. Let's see if we can manage to break that to the upside, right? Like I said, not really seeing a lot here. Maybe some hidden bullish now in the half hour. Yeah, very likely. What is this? 165, 168. Yeah, slightly more. So from here to here, we're going slightly more negative momentum, right? Making slightly more negative momentum. And here we're obviously going from here to here, right? So negative, sorry, low high, right? So hidden bullish. Probably why we're starting to see this come green. Again, we could get stalling, maybe reversal. Cross my fingers that is going to play out again. I'm not liking the way Bitcoin's behaving right now. And that's just my honest opinion. I would have loved it if it would have come back to this area. But failing to do that, not really what I wanted to see on Bitcoin. Let's see, we just flirt here with the lines. It's probably a fake out, break it back up, and then just do good, man. Right, so we're getting an awesome tip from John Smith to do Zcash. So we're going to do that real quick. While you guys do that, well, I'll load this up. I'm going to actually pour myself a cold one because I'm thirsty. And it's Friday. So one quick second. I just need to do that. I just cracked open the can because, yeah, I'll skip you very loud for you. Jason Schwartz. Why am I so afraid of it going down? I'm not afraid of it going down. I just don't like it, man, right? I mean, I want to see it go up. I was getting tired of all-time highs, but, I still want to see it go up. I wanted to see it perform bullish again, right? Have that really good action to the upside. Right now, it's not getting it. I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. I'm super bullish. I got in a really good area of value for me, so I'm happy with that. It's just not liking the way it's performing. I gotta be honest, right? I'm not excited to see it failing to get above 34,500, right? So again, I'm not bearish, but I just don't like the way it's performing, and I gotta be honest with that. Zcash, what's it doing, man? What is the Zcash doing? This correction, even small. Yeah, I know we need corrections. That's fine. I agree with that. I'm not against that. I love corrections. I was actually calling for pullbacks on the way up. You can ask anyone that was here prior to like Bitcoin crashing and people like flooding the stream. I was saying, look, we need pullback. It's unhealthy. We're going up too fast. Anyways, Zcash taking a massive pump 2 days in a row. Yesterday recovering 18%. Today gaining 12%. Combined, very nice percentage gains here. Like 33%. That's very nice, man. Alright, so we're going slightly higher. I'll just track onto there. That tracks onto there. And then this could just track onto there. So we are creating bearish divergence strong for potential action to the downside. And we're getting some of that pullback happening. We do have some fib notes here at the 382. Looks like we could, let's see if we manage to hold on above there. If we do, we could be on track to hit the next fib note, the 236. That's $3.65. Right now, if we break down, I mean, we're going to try to find support here at 315. And that is fine. Let's bring out the Bollinger Bands. Above the 20, so it's good. Bought at 64.15. So not too bad for Teslas right now. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, look, we looked at this one yesterday. Did someone request this yesterday, or yeah, probably. Because we were live here on this stream on this hour, and we were like starting to go up. So maybe someone requested Teslas yesterday. We're getting action to the upside, right? Hidden bullish. Started to pump. Great. Now, are we doing something? No. High, higher, positive, more positive. High on the RSI to a lower point. Yes, against the RSI, we have some strong bearish divergence developing here on Teslas, right? Sorry, not Teslas. On, Teslas. But you wanted Zcash. What am I doing Teslas, dude? I'll do Zcash right after, man. I'm sorry, dude. I think I jumped into the wrong project. So this is the one you made a ton of money on, right? We had the bullish divergence. That's fine. Hidden bearish. Just went into the wrong project completely, man. I'm sorry about that. Bought at 61.21. You wrote Teslas first, and that's why I searched for Teslas. I'm sorry about that, bro. Here we came higher, right? Now we have strong bearish divergence here. Yeah, I know, Jake. I like completely botched this one. It's Friday. It's fun. 71.73, 71.62, slightly higher. So we're going to have anything there. Bearish divergence strong against the MACD. That's it for Zcash. Again, potential movement down. We do have support at 3.04. We did wake it yesterday. We did wake it today. Again, throughout the day. Came back down, hit that 20 for support and pump. That's fine.
Choose freedom 2021, my fellow heathens. 20 for freedom, brother.
Wow, dude. Thanks so much for the awesome $20 on tip, man. I really, really appreciate that. Cheers to you, man. It is the weekend. I'm having fun tonight. Yesterday was a good day yesterday. So today is a fun day. Yeah, Teslas. I just did Teslas. Someone just said Teslas, please. I just finished it. Actually, I got to move to Zcash because I screwed up. Zcash. There we go. At $87.26. What's it doing, man? No one knows what it's doing back there, man. Dot. Sure, man. We'll check out Dot. Right. Zcash. No. Zcash. Yes. Zcash. Finally. We're here. High, higher. Positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point. Everything here is great. Even in this last spike, we're going higher on the MACD and the RSI. So that's fine. I'm not seeing anything there that worries me. We have some hidden bullish starting to develop here. We are hitting that 786, right, at 81.93. And bouncing, we're below the 20 still. So, it could be some resistance there. And I think we wicked it twice. If we fail to get above that 20, we could be looking for a retest of the 786. All right, so we'll see what happens once we get there. If we get above the 20, we could be on track again to recover. So that would be good for this project. We don't have anything against the other side, just against the MACD. And again, short term looks good, right? We hit the resistance at 114.49. We drew this a while back. I can't remember when we looked at this last. Probably somewhere around here, but we drew this one way, way back. We broke below it for a candle for a day, and then we broke back down the next day. That's like a rejection, right? We weren't strong enough to stay above that level. Korean Battosai, thank you for being here. No, I didn't finish that. Someone actually tipped, and that's why we skipped some things. But thanks for that, man. I much appreciate it, dude. Freedom can be bought. Yeah. Thanks, American Infidel. Thanks for the awesome tip, man. I really, really appreciate that, dude. That's so cool. Anyways, let's go to the 4-hour, man. That's Bitcoin done. Let's keep it going, dude. Again, look, we were looking for some hidden bullish. We didn't have it to there. We got it to here. That would have just tracked on to there. Again, action to the upside, getting that palm, hitting the 20, rejecting low. Are we going lower? No, we're higher. So here we're low, and then we're going slightly higher. Negative, less negative, low, and there's a lower point. Hidden bullish against the RSI, right? So let's go here. Hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, so fine. On that, we try to get that small palm. Found to go higher in the previous low, right? Continuation of the bearish divergence. Moving down. Great. High, low, positive, high, low on the RSI. Nothing bearish. Low, lower. Negative, less negative, I think. Yeah, it looks like much less negative for sure, man, on this 4-hour chart. We're about to get across with the MACD over the signal line. That could be good. I mean, if Bitcoin doesn't, like, dump or tank, it could be good for Zcash, right? This divergence, I'll just call from here to here. We got a support right at that 786. That's where we're going up. Getting close to that 20 on the 4-hour. Not quite hitting it. But on the 1-hour, on the daily, we hit it and we rejected. But, you know, getting close to it. Let's see if we can manage to hit that 20 and try to get above that, right? Neutral. Sorry, sold at 39.63. That's it for this. Again, if this crosses, we could be in for positive momentum and some very nice action to the upside. That could potentially get us above that 20. Let's go to the 1-hour, dude. Oh, forgot to anchor on the 4, man. No, on the daily. Huh. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? Even from here, low, lower, negative, probably more negative. I'm not sure. Let's zoom in. I'm gonna ignore this small island, dude. I'm choosing to ignore it on account that it's tiny. When we zoom out, it's tiny. I have strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Action to the upside, that's fine. Getting above that 20 right now, holding support at the 20, which is really good. High, higher, or high, low. If I'm ignoring this island, then I'll have to ignore it here as well. So that will go there. Did I anchor? Did I anchor? No, look, they wanted to go on the daily now. Dang it. I hate when I forget to anchor, man. It just makes my charts look so messy, man. But it's the weekend. I care. I care about the charts. I was like, who cares, man? I'm just like chilling, having fun. Today's gonna be a fun stream. It's gonna be a laid-back stream. I'm actually gonna go a little bit slower through the coins, man. I'm gonna take my time today. Usually I'm rushing through everything. We don't have a lot of people. It's not crammed. Oh, dude, we do have a lot of people. 136. Guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. I thank y'all for being here, and thank you for joining me here at the State of Crypto. Let's keep rolling. So on the 1 hour, right? Moving down on that. Finding support at the 20, which I kind of like, actually, right? Holding support at 20 is good. Could give us an area for a bounce. And the other thing that's happening here, and we're getting contradicting data against the 4 hour, but this is coming very close, right? The MACD to the signal line. If this MACD goes under the signal line, we're doing negative momentum, and the cross in the 4 hour might not be as strong. So I just watch out for that, right? Don't FUD in here. Yeah. Don't FUD, guys. Don't FOMO either, man. We don't FOMO, we don't FUD. So that's it for Zcash. John Smith, sorry if I did Teslas first, but I'm glad that you made dough on Teslas, right? So I'm happy for you, man. Really happy for you, man. Let's keep rolling. Ethereum. Better than video games. Where the ETH at? ETH. There we go, man. At 1,233. We're above good areas. Remember we said Bitcoin wants to get, Ethereum needs to get above this area. It's going to be good. We're not rejected. Again, above the 20, still in the 1 hour. We'll go to the daily first. But I like the recovery that Ethereum is doing much better than the one that Bitcoin had. Let's see, is Bitcoin pulling back up a little bit? Nope, still has that large red candle. So Ethereum is recovering a little bit better. Come on in, Ethereum, come back up. Ethereum recovered 11% today. And now ready for tomorrow's opening. It did come down, hit that 20, found support. It wants to move up again. That's what it's looking like. It will move up if Bitcoin allows, and it might try to get above that 1,261, right? So that's something I will be looking for. XRP is going to be right after Ethereum, bro. Thanks for asking, making a video. I hope you're having fun making a video. Anyways. Right, taking a bounce. Low, high, low, low, right? Some hidden bullish here in Ethereum. There we go. Hidden bullish, action to the upside, that's fine. Is this going to be on the daily, or does it want to go into 1 hour? Wants to go into 1 hour. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's up, Nightbot? What's his name? I'm not sure. The Nightbot's here doing its own thing. Dude, yeah. Brent, I already got Dot in the list. Thanks, man. We're looking at hidden bullish popped. Again, rejected, went lower. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side to lower point. Nothing to there, right? So we're starting to bounce. Again, following Bitcoin. Hit the 20, rejected again. Right now, trying to find ground. Neutral at 48.57. And again, everything else is looking good right now. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we had that hidden bullish divergence, right? Action to the upside. We can pop. Great. Now we're creating some hidden bearish, just like Bitcoin. What a surprise. It's moving just like Bitcoin. It basically is Bitcoin, right? It's just called Ethereum, but right now it is Bitcoin embodied. Why am I saying that? Because it's moving exactly the same, right? If it looks like Bitcoin, it moves like Bitcoin, and it drops like Bitcoin, we must be looking at Bitcoin, right? So again, that's why we look at Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin's really going to determine the tune for a lot of the projects, and that's precisely what we're seeing. I mean, some small variations. For example, this one's above the 20 here, right? We're above the 20 in the 1 hour. I believe Bitcoin's below the 20. I can't remember where we looked at this, but let's go to Bitcoin. Brent Prozer, thanks for being here, man. Oh, thanks, man. I hope it does become your favorite stream. Who is your favorite stream right now? Anyways, Bitcoin is below the 20. See, we're trying to get above that 20. Ethereum, a little bit, that small variation, but again, same move, same divergence, same action to the downside, right? So neutral at 53.16. I'm not going to go shorter timescales for Ethereum. It's just going to do whatever Bitcoin does. We're about to get that move of the MACD under the signal line. They're very, very close, right? Again, failing just to drop. And it's not weird that we come so close and then diverge again. That is fine. It happens, right? But that cross getting negative momentum could imply that we're going to get action to the downside, right? Nicholas, thank you for being here. What? Just want to say thanks. Far from a real trader, but following you the last 2 months, learned a lot of graph understanding. Yo, thanks, man. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Cash, yo, what's up? Thank you for being here. Right, so let's keep on moving, right? Ethereum recovering, nice. I do want to see Ethereum above 1,292, and that would put it back on track, right? Bitcoin needs to get above 34K, 34,500 probably, to start being back on the good track, on the nice list, right? So that's stuff that I'm looking for. So, yep. Yeah. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm working on Divergence. I like Divergence. I think it's really good to tell potential moves, right? Or potential changes in trend. At least for me, it seems to work a lot. So I rely on it along with other stuff, right? So I do like it. Like my mind's gone blank. I need to write something down and I forgot. Yeah, here we go. That's it. Let's go to XRP now. XRP did manage to rally yesterday, which was fine. A lot of people were hyping it because it was up like, I can't remember how many percents. But look at how much it had dropped, dude. It had gone below 23 cents. So The lowest point, actually 24 cents. It hit 24 cents. So, I probably exaggerated there a little bit when I say 23 cents. But, it did drop quite a bit. I'm actually going to hide the Bollinger Bands real quick so we can get a better look at this. There we go. And we managed to close back above the 26,629. But we rejected that area as well, right? So today we're open here. We're trying to move above that 27,911. We're rejecting already. So again, not looking the strongest for XRP. Neutral at 43.36. A lot of people were asking me yesterday about XRP. I told you guys I don't think it's going to do good until we get some clarity happening here, right? Yo. Anyways, bearish divergence, strong action to downside, move down, hit resistance, broke down, found support, holding on to the support, right? Again, that's good. Dropping slightly, and then the next candle remaking it. That's trying to hold on to that support. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing bullish here. Neutral at 45.80. So again, it's just regular market motion. We don't have to have divergence. Sometimes we don't have divergence and we just get moves, right? We're getting other stuff. Again, we don't always have to have divergence. What do we had last time on the 1 hour yesterday? Hit bullish, action to the upside. Recovering after hitting that support at 24.69. Bounce back up. And again, just in the last couple hours, rejected that 27.911 area. We might get another crack at it. Well, we do have strong bearish divergence within the same island and a hidden bearish from the previous island. So I'll do this one from here to here, right? To the highest point. And then from here to here, right? Just so you know what's going on. From way back here, we have this hidden divergence, right? And then here in the short term, we have that strong bearish divergence. So hidden divergence and strong divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. Just against the MACD. So I'm not really liking XRP right now. It's probably due for action to the downside. Let's bring the 20 back in. We're trying to hold on to a 20 as well. Wow, that's pretty good. Again, bouncing at the 20, it's nice, right? Like holding on support at the 20, bouncing, great. Let's see if we get another bounce on XRP. I'm not sure if he's going to get it right now. It does have that strong bearish divergence in the short term. Could move it down. If it fails to get about 27,911, we could be looking for a revisit of 26,629. It wouldn't be weird, right? That is where we're moving, right? Between a support and a resistance. And they're very, very close. So it wouldn't be weird if we bounce there. We've done it before, right? Look. Bounce, rejected, came here, support, dropped, tried to hold support, up. Now we could come down support again. Let's go to Litecoin. Vinyl record. Tesla's helping. Thank you. Awesome. You're seeing the lower highs and lower lows. Yeah. What is my opinion on support and resistance? They're good. They work. If you have them, if you do them well, they work, right? So you do have to find good supports and resistances. Let's do crypto. Hedgic USD. Sure, bro. Yep. Like, I mean, even resistance lines and support lines can work if you do them well, right? And that they're there for a reason. So that reminds me of something on Bitcoin that I missed talking about. Look at this divergence that we had. If you want to look at Bitcoin and go from the highs like this, I'll make this line blue real quick so you guys can see what I'm going to talk about. But if we make this line blue, we had resistance line, right? 1, 2, 3 times, broke down, created a strong bullish divergence. We hit that resistance, but we managed to break it back above it, and that's good. We're breaking a resistance on Bitcoin, right? So this is also a resistance line. You can draw a resistance line, you can have support lines. But the bearish divergence, if this divergence, right, this hidden bearish divergence breaks us below this line again, I wouldn't like that. Actually, just the fact that it's breaking us below this line that I'm going to draw right now, I kind of don't like it, right? Because this would be a support line, and that bearish divergence is breaking us below. All right, so again, you can have lines like the ones I just drew as supports and resistances, and they still work, but you just have to do them right. You have to anchor properly, you have to use the wicks, you have to see them, spot them, as a whole thing. For example, this would have been here as a support line here on Bitcoin, right? Like that. So support line, bearish divergence, breaking below, not good. When you break that line, you're confirming the bearish divergence. Look, we even retested on the way up. We retested and then we broke down, right? And then we got into this downtrend where now we were facing resistance, right? After we broke a support, we're facing resistance on that way down. I rarely talk about these ones. I don't use them that much. They do work. They're there for a reason. Sometimes I use them, particularly if I want to confirm we're breaking a resistance or a support after having divergence. But most of the times it's very obvious. Like this one's very obvious, right? Like if you do any measuring in our line, you see that you're breaking out. The only thing I was looking at now is that we were holding support after we broke that, right? So we hit support here on the previous resistance, right? Because resistance becomes support. So we held support, and now we're trying to bounce out of that support, right? So again, yeah, oh, Brand, that's crazy, man. Yeah, that's insane. Let's go to Litecoin. Again, that's a little bit more on supports and resistances, right? Horizontals, that's fine. They work, right? They're there for a reason. You do tend to hit areas like this. 164 areas where price, look, found support here, support here. So, of course, it's going to become a rejection at some point in time, right? So, yeah, we do have areas that work. You just got to know how to spot them and find them. I'm actually going to do some educational stuff on that also, right? The Litecoin, below the previous high of July 2019. 146.15. We did come down again, bouncing just like Bitcoin, hidden bullish divergence, just like the res neutral at 48.23. So it's not really having a lot, right? Again, a lot of the projects are, bland right now because they're all following Bitcoin. Again, we don't have anything moving lower, more negative, lower on the other side. That's great. Nothing here. High, low, positive, high, low. So, yep. Just regular market motion, hitting at 20, rejecting. It's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour because it doesn't have anything here. Well, the 1 hour, right, we had that divergence. And also, if you want to look at a line here, right, as a resistance, probably go with something like that. I don't like this one. I'm going to ignore the first touch point I did, and I'm actually going to repeat and go from here. And I think I'm going to get better, a better resistance happening here. Look at that, right? So we broke it here. We hit that, rejected, and then finally broke out of it. So I like this more as a resistance line. See how it changed it from back here to here? It looks better. It feels better also. You don't want to force stuff on the chart, remember? Right. So, Calvin, I just did that. Like, it was the third coin that we did today. So if you want to rewind a little bit or wait for a recap, I'm going to recap after... I'm gonna recap after gold to Bitcoin, right? I'll just make a note here to recap. That's gonna be 7 projects in. So yeah, Degen, that's already on the list. Someone already requested that, so it's there. Thanks for asking. Let's see what else. So that's Litecoin, right? Bullish divergence popping up. That's fine. High, low. Look, the same divergence that Bitcoin and Ethereum have. So I'm not surprised to see it across the main projects. They're all behaving the same. And I told you, they're like Bitcoin clones right now, right? They're all moving the same way. Here, something here is from another time scale. Let's, send it back. There we go. So in divergence, moving down low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 48.08. So not doing a lot. Did I do bat? No. I don't think it's requested, dude. Did you guys properly request bat? I didn't see it. I'm sorry, man. Not yet. Thinking about shorting XRP, I wouldn't short it, dude. It might stay stuck around that area for a while. I'm not sure if it's gonna drop. It's like it has a lot of support on that 20-cent area, so it's probably gonna take a lot of strength for it to drop more. More negative news could do it. I wouldn't be shorting XRP. I don't like shorting personally, man. It's just against what I want to do. Yeah. Anyways, dot. It's already requested. It's going to be project number 12, Crypto Scalper. But I'll look at it once we get there, right? Right now we're on the project number 5, so 7 more coins, and I'm going to have to do a small recap. Berks, hey, how's it going? You're asking me how I'm doing? I'm doing great. How are you, man? I'm sorry if I didn't see the chat. There's a lot of stuff going on. Which indicator is highly useful for divergence? RSI, MACD. I use both. You can also use volume. Some people use volume for that. That's fine. Like here, let's say you go dropping in volume as you're picking up price action. That would indicate some bearishness. All right. You can also see volume as a line chart or a line graph. But you'll be going like this, right? So you'd be diverging against volume. You're looking for action to the downside. I don't like using volume as a divergence indicator. Much rather go with the relative strength index or the MACD. Anyways, let's go to the Binance. What are we doing with Binance on the daily? Below the 20. Great. We worked it, rejected. Low, high. Great. Some hidden divergence. Awesome on the short term, right? So we're made here. So that's it there, and here we're coming lower, right? Negative, more negative. Low, lower on the other side, right? Neutral at 51.61. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What's that? Super long XRP and hoping the best with this. I'm going to wait to actually go into XRP. I want to get some information coming out of the lawsuit before I actually make a decision. I don't mind waiting a little bit or losing a little bit of that price action if it starts to go up, right? Better open the eyes. Ethereum to 10K. Yeah, a lot of people seem to be saying that, man. I doubt it. It's a lot, right? It's a lot for short-term goals. Again, have short-term goals. It's easier for you to meet them. Easier for you to aim for them. And you'll be fine, right? Leave the long-term goals for a larger time scale. Skinny. Do I ever predict a change in my, what? Clone theory? What do you mean clone theory, man? Coin theory. What? Skinny, which one has enough power to not follow Bitcoin? I mean, some alts do their own thing, but the main alts, they all follow Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's the biggest part of the market, 65%. So, and then the remaining, what do we want to say? The remaining 20%, it's, you know, the next 5 coins or the top 10 coins. We're talking about 90+% of crypto market, and the first one just follow Bitcoin, right? So, you know, some alts do their own thing, right? Like DVT has held very well against Bitcoin. Some other projects have held well against Bitcoin. But if you see me saying this, it's because the larger projects, the ones we're looking at right now, they are following Bitcoin. So, look, you can have bullish divergence, and we've talked about that before, right? Ethereum was performing beautifully, but Bitcoin tanked, and what happened? It brought the market down with it because it's the largest player, and they're all right now following Bitcoin. So that's the truth, man. I mean, I'm not sure what you expect me to say. It's not a theory; it is a reality that they're all following it. At least the top ones. We haven't gotten to the small ones. Tesla's was doing good, and Zcash has some potential. But you know, other than that, we haven't looked at the small coins. But right now, on the main ones, we are doing the same thing, right? Anyways. Scott Johnson, thanks for being here. Jorge Carranza, thanks, man. You're here. Awesome. I should be happy that you're here. Shout out from the UK. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here. Hi to the UK. Anyways, neutral at 46.71. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right, some bearish divergence. Hidden against the RSI. I'm not going to call it against the MACD. We do have a sizable island there in the middle. I'll show you in a second, but from here to here. It's not sizable, it's just 3 candles, but I'm not going to call it to there. Right? And it's short term here. I can't remember which coin had the same move. Probably Ethereum, right? It had the same move like this. Hey, look, bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. Gotta move down on that. Hit that 20, trying to find support, that's fine. Bollinger Band starting to tighten. That could mean that we could get a some nice price action. Tutson, Chainlink, sure, bro. Link's not on the list yet, but I'll put it there. That's gonna be project 14. Right now, we're gonna finish project 5. Right. So just give me some time. I'll get through them. After that, I'll put DVT and RSR as well. Yo, Be Snoopy Brill, you're in the UK also? Yo, thanks for being here, and much appreciated, guys. What was that good game you guys play in the UK when someone's drinking? Someone drops a pants in your beer, and then you say "God save the Queen," and you have to like down it or something. I played that when I was in the UK for a little bit. Hey, Bring Facts, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Which time frame is best for Divergence? I like using the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, but you can find it anywhere, actually, and it tends to play. Just the smaller times frames, like the minute ones, don't play as nice with Divergence, right? Bear ping pong. Anyways, yeah, bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside potentially. So we're trying to hold on to that support. Let's see if Bitcoin manages to, move sideways for a little bit. Bitcoin moving sideways right now could give alts a chance to pump. So that being said, let's go to the graph. Thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, guys. Thank you for your awesome support with your time. And also, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. If you like the content, hit the sub. You're going to love it here. We have an awesome, awesome community being built by you guys. You guys make the community. So we had bearish divergence here. Let's go on the daily first. We don't have anything. We got above the 51.92, which is, we're trying to hold on to that, actually. But we did go above it yesterday. We hit resistance at 55.02. Pulling back down. Oh, we're losing it. Oh, no. We're trying to hold on now to the 50%, which is fine. We don't have a lot going on here. Neutral at 55.78. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, Aberrant Proser. I know, right? The likes will come. The likes will come, right? What was that? Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. Kevin Costner. Anyways, what do we had here last time we were looking at the graph? Which was yesterday. Great. Hidden bullish divergence. Action to the upside. Pumped. Again, rejection of 55.02. We just kind of lost that area at 51.92. But damn. Let's see if we can manage to hold support. We're above the 20 still, which is fine. Not really building a lot here. Neutral at 52.38. Let's go to the 1 hour. When I get a chance, what? We'll drop 20k. I'm not sure, man. We already covered Bitcoin. Just gotta wait for a recap. I'm not gonna go through Bitcoin now. I'm in the middle of another coin because I'm gonna butcher the dude. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Or is it higher point? Let's zoom in here. Lower. Great. As we're coming lower. So we didn't have anything bullish. Again, we started bounce because of Bitcoin. We created this hidden bullish. Moved down slightly. Hit support at the 618. Then we just took off, right? Which is, again, okay. Nothing wrong with that. Low, high, negative, positive, more positive, high, higher. Great. Short term, nothing here, right? It's looking good. I just got some pullback, dude. I'm not seeing anything here on the 1 hour. On the half hour, I'm almost sure that we're going to have bearish divergence there. Strong. See that? I'm not sure if you can see it, but I could on the 1 hour. It was, for me, almost obvious that we're going to get the information that we needed here. Probably because I look at too many charts, but I was kind of expecting this. Strong bearish divergence, moving down to that, right? That's what's breaking us down on the 1 hour. We don't have to have anything sometimes, right? We can break down, but, sometimes if you go to lower time scale, you can find it, right? Thanks, Burks. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thanks for the support, man. You'll drink every time Link goes up 5 cents. You're getting drunk. Awesome, dude. I didn't know Link was going up that high, dude. Link's coin 14, man, right? Just got to wait for it a little bit. We'll get to it. Just give me a minute here. It's actually going to be done on the next set of coins because I'm going to go from 8 to 14 after I do a quick recap of Bitcoin. So, yeah, that's it, right? Holding support at 20, trying to go up. Nice. We're going to find resistance at 51.92. I already found it 1, 2, 3 times. We're failing. And if you want to see this in a very small scale here, we don't have anything bullish, but we have a sort of rising triangle or ascending triangle. That's usually bullish. We tend to break this to the upside. Could get us back on this level. Right? The only thing that could break it down is a major crash in the market. But that's what I'm seeing for the graph. Thank you for asking. Let's go to gold to Bitcoin, and then we'll do the recap. Bad, good for short term, or good to hold? Bad, I like BAT, so I'm not trading it. I just hold it, if that's what you're asking. I mean, if you want analysis on it, did someone request BAT? No one's requested BAT. You can request it. All right, but if you're asking me short term or long term, I just hold it. Maker pumping, great. American Infidel got Trooper and Donator. Top Pure Born, don't forget CRV. Yeah, CRV's on the list, I think. Yeah, CRV's number 10. So let's go here, man. What's gold doing? Again, Bitcoin recovered against gold, so that's fine. And today moving down. So that means that gold hasn't moved very much, right? It's probably sideways, and we can confirm that just by looking at gold. It probably moved very little, right? Look, it moved very little, and then today dropped a little bit, so not too much. But Bitcoin still managed to lose, or actually gain yesterday against gold, and then today it's gonna move flat, or it's looking, is it? What is this? It's there, man. It's just barely moving. So we did manage to gain against gold yesterday on that drop on gold, so good. Bitcoin looking good, right? Against gold. Do we have something here? Yep, hidden bullish. We created that hidden bullish divergence, which again, it's fairly good for this, which means stalling our action to the upside. So we're getting that action to the upside. We also have it against the RSI. Neutral at 48.47. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, it's not letting me. It's not gonna let me on this chart move into smaller time scale. So I'm just gonna be able to do the daily. That's it, right? Let's go recap Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin at 30,430, dude. Pulling back up a little bit. Great. Again, resistance right at 33,090. We closed there. We opened there, moving down. It's not the best. I wish it would have closed higher. 4-hour Bitcoin again, rejection off the 20. That's fine. Hidden bullish. Let's see if we manage to muster this and hold support. I don't want to see it go below 31,432 again. So better start pumping, dude. It gets to get its butt in gear and move up, dude. And we already established that, right? The futures, it's at 33,500. So it's about $1,000 higher, the futures market. So if we open here on Monday, we're going to have a gap up. And very likely we're going to move up to fill it. Anyways, hidden divergence. Bearish action to downside. We haven't created anything bullish yet. On the 30-minute, inverse head and shoulders. Right, we talked about that one. Can't remember which chart we had it on, though. Was it this one or this one? This one. Action to the upside. We didn't quite make it to the top. Someone said head and shoulders in the 15 minutes. Jesus, man. Not there yet. Kinda, right? But not there yet. It's like starting to form barely, but I'm not really liking that head and shoulders. Potential move could get us to 30,200, right? If we develop this tension, this would be one shoulder here, head, another shoulder, right? That's what I'm looking at. Let's get this just in a 15-minute, get out of the daily. There we go, man. And I'll also do the same with this, right? Let's keep rolling, dude. What exchange do I recommend instead of Coinbase Pro? A lot of people like KuCoin. Some people like Poloniex. It really depends. Some people like Binance. You know, it's really up to you and what you find that you can use. Binance has cheaper fees if you use Binance Coin or Binance dollars, right? So that could work if you're looking for that kind of edge. If you're just looking for fees, you know, but Binance, I find it sometimes it's difficult to get into a position because there's so many bots trading there. It takes a while for you to be able to like queue up your coin. So I don't like Binance a lot. I use it because there's some projects that are there that I cannot find in other exchanges, but there's so much bot trading there that sometimes it makes it hard to get into position. Particularly if you want to catch in the move, right? H-bar to the dollar. I'm not sure which one we look at. I have two, to the dollar and then the tether. So is this the H-bar we look at? I doubt it. Let's go to the tether one, man. We have fibs here. This might be the H-bar that we look at. Yeah, this is it. Great.
Love this stream. Could you look at GENYSE?
Yo, AD, thanks for that awesome tip, bro. AD, G on the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, dude, I can do G. I'll do it right after this one. Thanks for awesome $2 tip, bro. I really appreciate it. Yeah. I can imagine that. A lot of people jumping on to grab it, right? H bar, bearish divergence, moving down slightly, moving sideways right now. Neutral, sorry, not neutral, overbought at 76.88. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. On the 4-hour, bearish divergence, actually downside, hidden bullish. We still have it here. Found support at 20, taking a nice pop on that, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Small pop, moving sideways, about to lose that 20. It just became a resistance. We actually wicked it once. And now we're slightly rejecting it. We're still above. Right, we're still, below that area. But the Bollinger Bands are starting to contract a little bit. So that could mean that we could get a wild move coming in if they contract a little bit more, you know. Sometimes they just squeeze real quick and explode like here. Like quick squeeze and explode, right? So let's see what's going to happen with this. Neutral at 57.80. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. By the way, this is at 9.63 cents for Hedera, right? Bearish divergence, action to downside. Fine, right? Did we do something else? Low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, there's like lower point. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Awesome. So I'm not seeing anything high, low. Possible is positive, high, low, right? Let's zoom in here. Ooh, some strong bearish divergence here. Very slight. Low, high. High to low. 57.79, 57.83, slightly higher. So just in the MACD, some strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, we broke below the 20. Right now, we're facing it as resistance. We rejected once. Looks like we've hit it and rejected it again. So let's see how this is going to play out. Right now, it just looks like sideways motion. And really just consolidation between the 236 here at 11.67 and the 382 here at 8.31 cents, right? That's what I'm looking for. H bar. Oh, wait, this one was requested against Bitcoin. Shit. Right, I'll come back to H bar against Bitcoin, though. Because I did it against the dollar. Sorry, man. Let me go to GE first. And then I'll come back to this one. GE, General Electric. We gapped up on the post-market. That's pretty good. Had some strong bullish divergence. That's in the 1 hour, though. Anyways, from here to here, I'll just show what I'm looking at right now, and then I'll go to the daily. I don't like doing fuck, where I lost it, dude. It's from here to here. Oh, dude, strong bullish divergence took that pop, right? So that's it for this in the 1 hour. Let's go on the daily. Here's where we want to look at the stocks. It does have some bearish divergence, right? It had bearish divergence from here to here. On the first part, it broke down on that, and from here to here, we really need to anchor from the highest point on the graph, so here to there, and with that we have that bearish divergence.
Bless you.
Yo, thanks so much for that 229 pounds, bro. I really appreciate that, and thanks for the bless you, man. I usually try to mute the mic. That one just caught me off guard. That's thank you so much for that, man. That made my night. I just found it funny. You tipped to say bless you. Thanks so much. Let's keep rolling, dude. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. Yeah, let's keep rolling, dude. Again, bearish divergence, right? Actually, the downside. We also have it against the RSI, right? We had it here, and then we had it on that second shot here from here to here also, right? Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to a lower point. Let's see, dude. 51.36, 51.57, slightly higher. Let's go on the weekly. Oh, I forgot to anchor on the daily. Dang it. Right, so I'm just gonna explain this one here real quick on the weekly, dude. But high to low. I'm gonna go do the cleanup right now because it's gonna take me a little bit of time, but you can read that one on the daily. There we go. And then coming from low to high, right? So we have that bearish divergence. We also have it against the RSI from here to here. So there's that potential movement to a downside on the weekly. We are moving down slightly, but not by a lot. I mean, you can see that this week it moved down, right? So, you know, it's okay. You just gotta wait for it to do its thing. I'm not seeing anything bullish though. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on there. So I do our point, right? I'm not seeing anything bullish here for GE in the short term. You might want to look at news. Earnings should be coming out soon, the 26th. So Tuesday. We'll see what they do when earnings come out, right? It could be a positive action, right? If the earnings come out good, right? So that's it for G, man. And this is the one you wanted earlier, so I'm sorry, man. I did it against the dollar, but you know, higher, positive, more positive, high on there, such a hard point. Overbought at 80.87. Lower, negative, more negative, low on their side. 2 lower points. Nothing, dude. Nothing here. Right here on this last move here on the daily, though, we created something. Again, I'm not super excited for this, but it's something, right? That's from here to here, right? Just like that. So strong bullish, took that pop, but this has to be just some magical stuff happening here. 42. Let's go to the 4-hour, man, because it just pumped a lot. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Here we're going slightly higher. What is this, dude? 88, 87. Great. Bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Strong bearish divergence to that. So that move came in and moved us down lower, right? Now we have some hidden bullish developing here. Low to high, and we're finding it at the 20, which again, the 20 moving average holds as support. Look at that. Potential action to the upside. So we're trying to recover. Were you ever an auctioneer? No. Thanks for asking. I think I would get tongue twisted if I started the auction, dude. Those guys talk really fast, dude. I think they talk much, much faster than me. They almost talk as fast as Eminem, and Eminem raps really fast, so. Again, bought at 63.29. Let's go to the 1 hour. Bearish divergence, right, also. Dropping, right? Strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence for you weak kids. It make you strong. Look against the RSI as well. Moving down. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. Great. Taking a small pump on that, right? Awesome. We also have it against the RSI. Ooh, ambulances. They're going to come right in front of this house, dude. One quick second. I'm going to have to mute the mic here, so. There we go, man. No, they're actually ambulances, dude. And there comes another one. There's probably an accident nearby. Great. Cruise the cat lover. My stream is perfect. Thanks. I see what you did there. Perfect. Yeah, dude. I'm not sure. There's like 2 hospitals near my house. Like one's 5-minute walking, the other one's 15 minutes walking. So I do get a lot of ambulance traffic around this area. So yeah, they tend to come and like rain on my stream parade. Very strong. Hidden bearish divergence for action to the downside. We broke down on that. We also have it against the RSI. But again, look, this I'm not worried about. We're just moving sideways. Right? Even though I said bearish divergence and action to the downside, yeah, we did move down, hit that 20. But look at what we're doing, right? Look at what this is doing. Zoom out of the picture, right? And look at what it's doing. It's just sideways motion. It's consolidating. Nothing off with that. And if you wanted to look at this differently, just go like this, man. Look. Kind of consolidation happening. I'm not going to pinpoint this right now, but I'm just going to show you real quick. Something like this, right? So we could be doing a triangle from there. We could be doing that triangle to there. If you ignore that, wake us FOMO. You know, yeah, it's consolidation, right?
LRC Plaza.
Thanks for that, man. I think you should read LRC Plaza. Sure, man. I'll do LRC right after H bar, man, for sure, man. Thanks so much for the awesome tip, Andrew. I really appreciate it, dude. Oh, dude, thanks so much for that. Yeah, LRC, dude. Right. So, let's roll. You may be in the wrong stream, but can look at Buffalo versus Kansas City in the 4-hour chart. Yeah, sure, dude. No worries. Let me do LRC, got request, and then we'll look at Buffalo. Yeah, let's check it out in a second, though. LRC got tips, so we're going to do that one right now. Right now. How's the match, dude? How's the game? Is it good? Can I do KFC? Yeah, man. I'm not sure if they're still delivering, but if they send me a bucket, I'll freaking do KFC right now, man. Like, wouldn't it be good if I could get a bucket of KFC, dude? The loop ring. What is it doing? Have we looked at this earlier? Well, we haven't looked at this in a while, I think. Let's go on the daily. High, low, positive, high, low. Low, high. Negative, more negative. Right. Some hidden divergence. Great. Do we have another LRC chart? I wonder. This just feels like we did it earlier, like sooner, right? Oh, dude, we do. Could it be that this one has the data that we're looking for? Nope. So is it the other one? It just feels like this one's missing a lot of data. So here it is. Huh. Weird. It might be this one then. So no, this one has data shorter term, I guess. So we'll go with this one. I'm thinking this one has more data. Anyways, low, high. Negative, more negative, right? Neutral at 56.60 on the RSI. So with that, we have that hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. We got near our support at the 20. We're trying to break back above it. Right now, we're holding on to it, which is really good. High, low, possible is positive, high, low. Neutral at 56.56. Why is Nightbot warning you? I'm not sure, dude. Someone get this man some KFC. Yeah, no, someone said KFC. It's like, can you do KFC? I was like, yeah, I can do KFC. I can eat it. All right. 161 people watching. Thank you guys for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Tonight's a mellow stream, dude. Yesterday was like an intense stream. It was very long. I was really tired by the time we were done, but tonight is fun. Look, we pumped higher, right? We had this hidden divergence, took a pump. Now we're creating strong bearish divergence for action to the downside, and we're moving down on that, right? So, it's fine. It's playing out. Just like, again, guys, if you don't like ask for this coins and I don't hold them, I don't give them continuation. So just when you guys request them, we open up the charts and we dust them off and see where we're at. So low, lower, negative, more negative, low neighborhood, lower point. I'm not seeing anything here that is bullish right now. Let's still try to pump, hit the 20 and reject it. Maybe the 1 hour has some bullish divergence. We'll see. Andrew Schneiders. Yo, how's it going, man? Back on the stream from the great white north. The king in the north. Yes, man, I'm here. Bro, you sold your Mara stocks today. Remember, what? Yeah, you were asking questions. Remember I told you they were going to perform according to Bitcoin's price? Bitcoin recovering equated for Mara to get price action to the upside. And we had some hidden bullish divergence. Remember, we revisited it. And we noticed the hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. So that's pretty good. You probably took profit because it did pump a little bit today. Or at least when I was looking at it, it was pumping. I'm not sure how it kept on performing. Bearish divergence, moving down, right? Again, that's it for this in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right, so I'm going to take this one in parts for looping, right? So first of all, here to here, we're going to have some bullish divergence. Few dollars, yeah. Something, right? At least it's money in the bank. Like if you take profits, that's fine. Doesn't matter how much money you do. Taking profits is good. Taking profits is healthy. Taking profit gets you into a good mindset, right? Of like of taking money when you need to, right? Off the market. So that's good. If you don't take money off the market, sometimes the market's gonna take it from you, right? So someone else is gonna take it. We have some strong bullish divergence, actually to the upside. So higher, positive, more positive, high on there, such a hard point. From back here, high, low, right, some bearish divergence from way back here against the RSI, right? And that's probably why we're moving down right now. From here to here, very slight, but it's there. It's going to be some strong bearish divergence. Here. Moving down slightly, again, it just looks like we're doing a little bit sideways motion. Again, following Bitcoin, right? Same drop, same recovery, same semi-drop right now. I'm trying to recover a little bit right now. That's what I'm seeing for lip ring. So, not super excited, dude. Exactly, you felt freedom. Doesn't it feel good when you take money from the market? It's a good mentality, man. Like, when you take profit, it gets you into a good mindset. Hardik Aranza says he learned that the hard way. Yeah, I know. So a lot of us learned that the hard way, right? You hold on to it, and then all of a sudden it drops, and you're stuck in a position that you don't want to be in, and you don't know if it's going to recover, right? At least crypto recovers fast. Some stocks never recover. They just keep making all-time lows. And every time you look at it, your soul dies a little bit, seeing that, you know, you're losing money every day, and you could have ended your suffering a while back, and then you're still dropping, and you're like, oh my god, this sucks. You learned that yesterday? Yeah. You just think about taxes. Well, you gotta take taxes on capital gains. So if you gain a cent, you're gonna take capital gains on a cent. So, you know, whatever. Don't think about taxes. Think about your money. How often do I advise taking profit off? I don't advise. Just whenever you feel comfortable, right? If you have a trading strategy, you have a goal. Burks, Martin, you see when someone donates you money and Goku pops up. How do they do that? All right, cool. Yeah, it's if you tip above $5, Goku pops up. If you tip above $10, Barney pops up. If you tip above $20, I can't remember what pops up. And then if you tip above $100, I think it's like a Mortal Kombat, finish him or something like that. It just says finish him, and then I'll stay on the stream and I just be like this for a little bit. So yeah, that's how you get Goku to pop up. You type $5, $5 US, right? Profits, you should take them whenever you feel like it, right? Whenever you feel you hit targets, so that's good. For example, let's say this, right? Let's say you enter a position here. I'm not sure what. Let's say you enter a position somewhere out here, right? This was your entry level. Let's say you set up your P&L and you want to take profit at I'm not sure 5%, 9%. You're only willing to probably lose where it dropped to prior, right? That would be about a 3% drop, right? If it was a stock, that would be a good stop loss. 3 to 5% would be good for a stock. So let's say you enter here, you want to take profit, right? This would just tell you like you hit target, right? You see that square coming in slightly darker, and with that dotted line there, it tells me that I hit profit, right? And it'll also tell you what my risk reward was. It was 2.5 to 1. So I'll be risking 1 to earn 2.5, which is pretty good actually. And what I would do is if you just hit that area, right, just take profits. Or if you don't want to take profits because you're afraid you're going to leave money on the table, which, you know, could be the case, set up a trailing stop loss. Trailing stop losses help you get through that, right? Crypto was 100, you just got into LRC at 40. That's you just got in right now. Great. If it gets above the 20 and holds its support, it could have a good shot at moving up. I'm not seeing anything on the short term, though, Andrew, right? So just be careful with that. I might check on the half hour just because you're actually going into it. But anyways, you can set up a take profit level and then just commit to it. Take profit and forget about it. If it keeps going higher, just don't look back. You're going to reinforce bad trading habits. Or set up a trailing stop loss. And that basically that trailing stop loss would look something. Sorry, guys. Let me delete that. I'll bring up another chart. It's not per se a trailing stop loss, but it kind of acts as one. And I have it hidden right now. But if I bring this out, you're going to see that this would have told me to buy Bitcoin in the 4-hour chart back here on December the 12th. This is just trailing, right? It's trailing up, and it should be at a certain percentage. It just doesn't move down. I can't remember what I have this set up to, but look at this green line. How every time Bitcoin pops, it pops, and then when it kind of like goes down a little bit, it just doesn't move. It goes sideways, right? So this is guaranteeing that I'm going to take a certain profit at least. So once you break it and you get the sell signal, then you just have to execute, right? And then you execute, and look at what happened since. We haven't gone above that buy area again. This is called super trend. I don't advise using it. It's not super reliable, but I just was using it to illustrate what trailing stop loss look like, right? So it just keeps on moving up with your price, and it just whenever it drops, right, just make sure you exit, and that would be guaranteeing that you exit at a certain amount from the top of the price, and that could help you set up exits for your money, right? So again, it could help you take profits if you're not sure whether or not you should take them, right? The first one stops you, right? Like an LRC, the way I had it here, it stops you before you actually, see a drop maybe. The second one, it might have started here, and maybe it was telling you to, it will set up your stop loss here. But then maybe the pump didn't get you even above your previous entry, so you would have taken 5. But since you're waiting for that trailing stop loss to catch up to you, this drops again, you don't take profit, right? You could have taken some money. So you also can take small profits off the table. Let's say you can take half, a quarter, or 3/4 of your money whenever you get to your first stop loss, and then leave the rest for a trailing stop loss, right? You can step out of a position, or basically scale out of a position. So again, that's an idea, right? That's it for LRC. Let's go to the half hour, though. I did promise Andrew I was going to go to the half hour LRC. 3.4K for what, Garrett? 34K what? 3.4K. Dude, what are you talking about? Bitcoin going up? 32,700. No, it's not going up. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and the rest of the hard point. No. I was looking for some divergence here. I'm not finding it. Maybe some hidden here. Yeah, some hidden divergence. From here to here. Then from here to here, right? On the LRC. And then short term here, and it does have some strong bullish, just very short term here, right? From here to here. From here to here. Right, and from here to here, we don't have it. So strong bullish divergence, that's where we're moving up and getting above that 20 on the half hour, right? That could bring action to the upside on the 1 hour as well. So, it's going to just basically reflect there. Thank you for asking for this coin, Andrew. Let's go check out what's up next, dude. Again, a lot of people in the chat. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. If you're a regular, join us on the Discord, please. We love you there. Dude, I'm thinking it's so easy tonight. API 3, sure, man. Let's go check that out. I think that's where we actually left off, so. Kimberly Lopez, you want to buy Ethereum, but you want to buy at 1,180. Well, you could have bought yesterday. It was below that area, so I'm not sure if it got. I think it got below that area, so you had your chance yesterday. Birds View Eye. How do you buy Loopring if you're in the UK? Well, there's ways you can do that, right? You can find an exchange. You can buy on crypto, right? That don't care whether or not you're a UK resident. Use your onboarding ramp on the UK from pounds to crypto, and then move your money, your crypto, to that exchange, and then buy Loopring. API 3 did Tether, I guess, on OKX. I didn't get I actually said to the dollar. It's not pegged against the dollar, so we're gonna have to go to Tether, and I'm gonna go to OKEX, because there wasn't an exchange associated with it. Oh look, we haven't. Have we looked at this before? I can't remember, man. Let's go to the daily. Zoom out. So we haven't looked at this. High, nothing here on the daily. Nothing on the daily, dude. Let's go to the 4 hour. What?
Check out Cross Dollar Exceed Me.
Yes, Dynamic Motorsport Experience. I will definitely check that for you, bro. Right after I finish API 3. Exceed. Awesome. What platform do I trade on? What, stocks or crypto? Stocks, I trade on Trade Zero. Crypto, I trade on, my onboarding ramp is Bitso. Then after that, I might move to Binance, South Exchange. Hit BTC. I'm not sure. I just move it wherever the crypto that I need it's at, and then I buy it there, or Coinbase. So I use a couple. It really depends on what I'm trying to get. So against the RSI on the 4-hour, we have bearish divergence, right? So potential action to the downside. I'm actually gonna throw out. I shouldn't, because we're going all-time high. So I'm gonna try to make some fibs here, but they're really not gonna work. So high, higher, positive, less positive, right? Again, high to low. So yeah, bearish divergence moving down, but we're going sideways. We're like that bearish divergence is not affecting us, and it could be because the project's really bullish, right? Again, on bullish times, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So if you look at this, right, it's just going insanely high. We've never been that high before. The only thing I could try to do for fibs to try to see where we're at, and it's just gonna be out of curiosity. Let's go from high to low here, high to low, and see how much we've recovered. We actually got above that 2618. That's the only thing I can look at because we haven't made a valid retrace yet. Let's go to the 4-hour. Got 34 coins of Stellar. Interesting. Link to the moon, Christopher Lewin. Thank you, dude. We're gonna do link. It's gonna be Project 14, which actually just keeps getting bumped down because there's requests coming in with tips associated with them. So I'm doing those first. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing here that is bullish. Let's go to the 1-hour. Ooh, on the 1-hour chart, I don't like this. Look, I was going to a straight shot, but I just have it in steps also, right? We're just coming up higher. Coming down lower, and also coming down lower. So it does have strong bearish divergence. There's a potential for action to the downside. It's moving down slightly. It's trying to hold on here at 5.51 cents, but it could drop to at 20 at $2.26. It wouldn't be weird for this to go there, right? So, no. And that would also, if it drops below that area, we're going to have to try to find support at 2.618, and that's going to be right here at 5.14. So there's going to be some support if it breaks below that 20. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out, right? From here to here, it has some strong bullish divergence, right? I'm just going to call this one because it's there and it's easy to see. Negative, less negative. Great. That's it for this, man. Let's go to the CRB, man. I'm not sure, dude. The Nightbot's there. Double B, what's up, bro? Thanks for being here. I saw you send me a message on... What is this thing? Discord, bro. I replied to you. I'm sorry. I think when I replied, you were probably off the air, but yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm checking something out. Todd, Pure Point, CRV is right next, actually. Thank you for being here, man. One of my mods was telling me to not forget to check that out for you. I will, dude. I know. It's on the list, right? Thanks, man. I much appreciate that, Double B. That's it for API 3, right? So let's go to CRV. Our buddy here, Todd, requested it. I'm sorry, dude. I do queue up coins, right? Everything's on writing, dude. I keep track of everything, so we do things the way they are supposed to be. The false flags, dude. What's up? Thanks for being here. Oh, dude, but dude, before I do CRV, I gotta do Exceed because I got a tip for that one. So let me do Exceed. I'm not gonna be able to find it here. I have it open somewhere over here because it got requested a couple times. So I'll do Exceed real quick. And then I'll go and do CRV. Exceed is going to be easy because I cannot chart on this thing. We already established that the other day, right? So let me go through that one Todd Pure Point, and then after that I'll do CRV for sure, right? Have I done Chainlink? No, Ideal Milk. Chainlink, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 projects more after I do Exceed. So thanks for asking, man. Getting the vibes from the Nightbot? Yeah, it's awesome to ride that. That Nightbot's awesome. I can only bring indicators, I think, Mike D. RSI. Again, I wish I could do this better here. It just doesn't bring the best charting tools. Remember when I tried to use this line to draw? All hell's break loose. Dude, this looks horrible. Why did they pick the worst color combinations for this, man? I should have it preset to things that are bright and easy to see. Anyways, high, higher, high, low, right? Bearish divergence, strong, moving down on that. Now, what do we have here, dude? Right, low, high, right, low, high, low, lower, low. Hidden bullish, action to the upside, taking a small pop. We're not creating anything bearish here. We're just moving down again. Sitting at 65.12 cents. Let's go to exceed on the... For some reason, it opened on the 4 hour, so let's go to the 1 hour, and then we'll go to the daily. Marco Riccardi, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm not sure about your question, dude. I cannot give you advice of what to do with your money. If you have 3 Bitcoins, you should probably know what to do with them, right? Because you probably know how to trade them. So I cannot give you advice on what to do with your money, man. I'm sorry. Here we're coming slightly higher, right? High, higher. Then we're coming from high to low here, right? On this small bit on the RSI. So high here at the 69.75 to a low of 66.82. That's going slightly higher on the price. Bearish divergence, strong action to the downside, breaking down that. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a hard point. Nothing bullish, but again, it's trying to recover, and that's fine. Again, sometimes we don't have to have anything here. For recovery, we might have something on the half hour or somewhere else. I'm not sure how low I can go here. Oh, wait, we can do the 30-minute. Quick. Awesome. Low, high, and then look, we're coming from very little negative here, 0.0010 to more negative. So some hidden bullish divergence, and also on the other side, look, high to low. That's where, again, that reversal, right? Then let's go to the daily. We don't have anything on the daily to chart, man. Dynamic motor store experience. I hope that does you justice. Again, this chart's not the best, and this exchange doesn't have the best tools. Although it's based on trading view, and I can do some stuff. I cannot do it all, but thanks for that, man. CRB now. Again, dude, I wish I could do it here and do it a little bit better with actual lines, but sometimes it just doesn't work, right? And there, remember when we're using the line tool, it just covers the whole screen. It just makes it really hard to chart. And so I cannot pinpoint it better, so, you know, that's... So now we go to CRB, dude. Now, for reals. Sorry about that. CRB, is this the CRB we're looking at? Yeah, awesome. Louis Cunner, have you heard about Alpha Finance Labs? That's pretty good, man. I'm glad you're making money. Right, so we're looking for bearish divergence, right, on the daily. We kind of killed that against the MACD. We no longer have it. We just have it against the RSI. Moving down. We could move down, sorry. Where are we at here? Overbought at 78.58. That's it. That's the only thing we have here right now, right? Again, potential for moving down. We're hitting the 236 at 1.91. And got above it, right? So now it's going to become a support. Great, that's awesome. On a moving down, potential support there. What do we had here? We're looking for bearish divergence, right? For action to downside. We did move down slightly, hit that 20 and popped. But guess what? As we're coming higher, we're still lower than our previous high. Thus, we still have strong bearish divergence. And there, we still have it. We slightly got overbought at 70.39. So again, action to downside potentially. Right now, we're just sitting bought at 69.41, but that's it for this, right? Again, potential action to the downside. Look at how we're holding support at 236. Very nice. Wicked it a couple times, and then we face resistance here, right? So very, very nice. We had, the last thing we called here was a hidden bullish for action to the upside, and that played up, so nice. Good stuff happening here. Whenever we looked at this, we were probably somewhere, maybe around here or here. I can't remember. But let's go to the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we had bearish divergence moving us down, then hidden bullish for that pump. Remember we said we're probably going to test resistance here, and we're going to start creating bearish divergence. I don't remember if you remember me calling this for this project, but I remember calling this from here to here and from here to here. I told you we could very easily get up here and still have divergence and then probably break down from that. And we did move down slightly. You know, we still broke above that level, which was pretty good. But look, we're still coming up higher and we're still creating bearish divergence, right? So, you know, moving down on that, hitting that 20, finding that very nice support here at the 236. We also have that divergence against the RSI, right? And then on this last pump that we're doing, So if I go from here to here, then I'm going to go from here to here. I'm not sure, Shark Lover, dude. I just talked about how much I hated the recovery did today because it wasn't looking too strong. Strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside, right? So we have strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, and on the daily. So just watch out for that, right? 3 times bearish divergence on 3 different time scales. That's what you call coinciding variables. And when you find that, it could be a warning, right? I mean, it's crypto. It could go on pumping. It's just a warning that, you know, there is a chance the price might go down. The optimal thing to do would probably be set up a stop loss so you can, you know, try to preserve wealth. Again, it doesn't have to be a massive drop, right? The drop could come to the 20 here on the 1 hour at $2.01, and it could still drop all the way down here to $1.91. Right now, it's sitting at $2.16. That's it for CRV. The Gall, yo, what's up? Still calling for 20K bottom? Interesting. So Todd, dude, I hope you like this, man. I'm sorry I thought I was gonna do earlier. A couple of requests came in with tips. I had to do those, man. But I really appreciate you being here, and thank you for asking about CRB, man. Much appreciated. Seong Bing Yon, how's it going? Thank you for being here. Let's go to Seoul. Hi. Tesla's pumping. Awesome. I'll go back to Tesla's on a recap because I did it by accident earlier. So we'll do Tesla's in a recap, dude. Let me move a little bit, and then we'll go to Tesla's. We'll see where it's at. Thank you, Andrew, for letting me know, man. Much appreciated. Dude, what is Solana doing? Right, so higher. Right, let's start with the bearish divergence. Get it out of the way, man. High low, positive spots. Right, they're high low. They're on the RSI as well. So bearish divergence, actually downside, hitting that 20, finding support. Why? Because we have hidden bullish divergence from here to here, from here to here, and we don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 58.17. Let's go to let me go fibs here because we have fibs here. And they're going to be valid. We go from the high to the low. There, and that's gonna be our fibs. We reject that 786. We found support at that 50%. Very nice. Now we're trying to get above that 618, which again is very, very nice. Well, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, no worries, man. Thanks for being here, Todd, and thank you for waiting, man, and your patience. I really appreciate that, guys. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Thank y'all for being here. I really appreciate y'all, and thanks for the awesome support that you give to this channel and for helping build an awesome community around crypto and crypto analysis. Higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Nothing there. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Nothing there. Great. I'm not seeing anything here, man. I'm not going to fight it. I'm going to go to the 1 hour, dude. This is what we have here. So first things, right? Hidden bearish divergence. Actually, downside move down, hit that 20, taking a pop, getting above that 618 again, which is very, very nice. We also have this against the RSI, right? So nice. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower point. Nothing bullish here. You have something bearish back here. Yeah, look at this bearish divergence back here. That's what started like this whole domino effect to the downside. Let me get rid of this. There we go. Right here again. Strong bearish divergence, right? Breaking down from here to here, we created some bullish divergence, but all that managed to do is get us slightly higher. Then we probably created some hidden bearish to break down. Yep, look from here to here. From here to here. Hidden bearish, right? Then we broke down again. We didn't create anything bullish there, and then, you know, pumped again, probably following Bitcoin or something like that, right? On a sort of recovery. And then moving down, hitting that 20. So what is Bitcoin recovering here? Yep. Looks around the time that Bitcoin started to recover. So, yeah. Neutral at 59.43. Awesome. XLM to $1. Yeah. Why not? Dot. What's up with the dot, man? Don Juan, you stopped by to say hi and leave a like. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Thank you for the like. Let's go check out dot. Bearish Divergence moving down. Awesome. Again, above that 2618, so it's very nice. Bought at 67.20, so not a lot happening here. Again, just consolidating sideways, which is fine for dot after a nice impulse up. Consolidation's healthy. They'll be, wait, what? When did he hit 1.8? What, already hit 1.8? For reals? That's crazy, man. We're at like 1.750, dude. We're at like 1.85. Wow, 100 new subs today. That's crazy. We might be hitting 2K by the weekend, bro. That's insane. That's so cool. Thank you all for being here. Would I buy Cosmos? I'm not sure, dude. I've never gotten into Cosmos. I haven't even done my research on the project, bro. So I cannot tell you whether or not I would buy a project that I have not researched, right? I could buy it on technicals, but, you know, I'm not sure if I'm going to hold it long term if I don't research. 2K party this weekend. Actually, the target, bro. I mean, we can party, but the target's 2.5K. That's the actual target right now for the next milestone. So we have 1K, then 2.5K, then 5K, then 10K, dude. 10K is going to be massive. I'm going to figure out something to do at 10K. It's like the markets keep on moving. I think we can add more people. But if you also tell your friends to come and like and, you know, join it, and they might enjoy the content, that's going to be awesome as well, right? About 9 on dot. You ended up getting 60 dot coin. You'd love for this to go even close to 50. Yeah, it's at 17, dude. So you're doing good, Brent. Anyways, bearish divergence right on the 4 hour, moving down. We're not creating anything. That just tracked onto there. That tracked onto there. And we still don't have it here against RSI. So hidden bullish, popped, great. Bearish divergence, moving down. Right, so nothing here, dude. Not a lot here. Right? Low, high, negative, lows, negative, low, high. Great. Recovering a little bit and just failing. Let's go to the 1 hour. Might have more clues there. Ooh, look, bearish divergence, moving down to that. Low, high, negative, more negative, dude. Some hidden bullish. But what's really pumping it is this, dude. The strong bullish here. Strong bullish divergence against the MACD, but nothing against RSI. Against RSI, we're just doing hidden bullish. And that would be from here to there. Sorry, we're not even hidden bullish, dude. We're just going slightly higher as well. Just strong bullish against the MACD. Action to the upside. High, low, positive, high, there's a lower point. Look short term here. We have bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Don't tell anyone. And from here to here. And from here to here. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support. Low, high, negative, lows, negative, low, and there, set to a higher point. Neutral at 55.40. Not really doing a lot there, right? What? I'm gonna have to like move up a little bit. $10K what? Subs. Yuki Mikako. Thank you for asking. There'll be most of your crypto friends are non-believers. They don't work. They don't woke like us. Okay. Scott G. 10K without shit from Hooters. Slow down the overseas market. Yeah. Don't think Martin's wife's gonna be happy with it. She doesn't mind. And yeah, it's a family place, man. Don't you know? Look at engine. Sure. What happened if the markets no longer accept the Fed put QE? Man, what? I cannot get political, dude, but I cannot get political, man. There'll be. It's a family place now. Yes. Would you buy ADA? Yeah, maybe, dude. I'll consider buying ADA. Mobile gaming for gamers. But Hooters. Yeah. Hooters in Toronto is different. That's a different Hooters. Yeah, dude. I don't have anything against the A. I just haven't gotten into it, right? Steve, who is here, Yeah, he just popped up and said 88 for the win. Yeah. Crypto Man says, my old man's a non-believer. I think crypto's the way of the future. Yeah. When do you go into the moon? Hopefully soon. You got 10,000 of them. They're worth some pretty dough right now, right? And they're going to be worth pretty more dough in a few more days, I hope. You'll convert me. Yeah. Bearish Divergence moving down, finding support near the 20. That's for dot. Steve, the easiest way to convert me is to send me some ADA, and then I'll inevitably hold ADA because I'm not going to sell it. And then even if it's one ADA, I'll have it there, and then you can say you converted me to ADA. But I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it. Road to 2K, new sub. Awesome, thank you. Trabity. Oh, Gogan, what? Dude, I completely botched this one. Wow. Let's see if someone caught it here. Damn. Dude, I wrote this one fast, and I think I botched it. I think that was a request. Hedgic. To the dollar. So Hedgic for someone who requested it. Thank you for being here, guys. And for the awesome support. Like, I'm really, really grateful for the awesome support they give this channel. For reals. Like, it's insane how much we've grown and how good the community is. And how good the community is on the Discord as well. AMC to the moon. Like the movie theaters. I think we're looking at that earlier today on the day trading. I can't remember if we left a swing trade open because they're going to open new movie theaters, I guess. So, yeah, they have good news, right? They're opening new theaters in a pandemic. Ain't that crazy? Kato sub. Thank you. Much appreciated. But, hit the likes, guys. I'm not sure how many likes we have, but hit them likes. YouTube likes the likes. It works for the algorithm. I would say that, I appreciate the subs a lot. But I was hearing from other YouTubers, and they say that likes are a good indicator for YouTube. Because you can only sub once, but you can hit like on every video, right? So you guys liking the video helps out a lot also. So hit the likes as well, right? Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Let's go to Hedgic. Let's start on the daily. Let's see what it's doing. It's having strong bearish divergence right now. Again, not an old project. How do I know it's not an old project? Well, if I look at the charts, it doesn't have a lot of data, right? How do I know it doesn't have a lot of data? It doesn't go farther back. And also here, it just cut off. That means it just started, right? Look, boom. So we have bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. And there's a potential for action to the downside. So you bounce at the 20, which is very nice. Uncredited anything bullish, right? Do we have bullishness here? Nope. And now we're really trying to figure out where we're going to go. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, and high low. Right, bearish divergence is strong against the RSI. Potential action to downside, right? Let's see if I'm missing anything. Low, high, negative. Right, so I'm hitting bullish against the MACD. Let's just hope I didn't forget to anchor. I did. Suck, man. That sucks. Let's clean this up real quick. There we go. And let's do this one here also. Yo, that's awesome. LTC. Why did that, man? That was like the 5th coin we'll look at, Kato. I'll save it for a recap, though, right? You're the man. You're trying to send a tip, but can't remember your damn password. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for the support, man. Someone said Litecoin, so I'm just going to put it here for a recap. That's cool, man. It's I'll do a recap for it. No worries. I'm going to recap right after a link. So it's Hedgic, link, and then recap. So if you just want to wait a little bit, I just already put it on the recap, so don't worry about that, right? Don't stress. Likes and commenting after the video is over helps. Long live streams also can also hurt the overall growth. Yeah, I am gonna do that. Actually, gonna make much shorter videos, like 5-minute videos on trading basics or something like that. And then I'm gonna do a 15-minute news segment, which should also be helping. I'm setting up for the news as well, so the news will be separate. They're not gonna be live. They're just gonna be here. Marco, dude, I will. Just please, everyone's so far today has been very, very kind and has gone with this format that the bot's going to pop for you right now. Just do add the state of crypto engine and I'll check it out, dude, right? What?
You got dedication. Keep it up, bud. 0.200000000 link.
Yo, the false flags. Thank you so much for that awesome link tip, man. I really, really appreciate it. We said we're going to do Hedgic. Did we finish? No, 1 hour Hedgic. Dude, thanks so much for the awesome tip, dude. Particularly in crypto, because crypto I don't touch, right? Like crypto, I get 100%. So when you guys send crypto, I get 100%. When you send fiat through PayPal, they take 3% plus 30 cents. So 30 cents plus 3%. And then YouTube, which again provides this awesome platform, they take a share of the super chats. They take 30% of the super chats. So like it's like the most penalized one, but I think it's also the easiest one for you guys to tip. So that's fine, right? So you just consider that also for. But I really, really appreciate the tips, and I thank you guys for that, and thank you for the false flags for the awesome tip, man. Bought at 62 point. What are we at? 62.73. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side. Your hard point even here. High, higher, more positive, higher on the other side. Great. This is forgot to anchor on the 4 hour. Right, so I'm not really seeing anything here short term. It just went parabolic a little bit. So we're not going to have anything here. Here we had some strong bullish before we moved up. And that could have actually helped, right? Strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI, right? So that's pretty good. How do you send crypto? You just the link's in the description, bro. Thanks for that, man. Really appreciate it. You're gonna have to load up your Bitcoin donos. That's fine, dude. Yeah, that's that's a breakdown. I mean, I don't mind. You guys tipping also tells YouTube that the channel's profitable, because I don't get a lot of replay value of the videos, right? Because it's live stream, and this content, it's good for today, maybe a couple more hours. And then it's gone because the market already moved. So my replay value is very low. So even though I have ads, I'm not gonna get a lot of playbacks, right? So you guys tipping through super chat, it's how YouTube basically gets a part of that money, and it helps. It helps them out. Tell them that people like the stream enough to tip through super chat. So they also work. So a good mix is always good, right? Anyway, so let's go and check out Link. And Link I actually wanted to check out. Someone tipped me a Link the other day, and I think someone also tipped me a Link right now. So the false flags tipped me a Link. So now I'm into the Link game, I guess. So, see, Steve, that's how I got into coins. I wasn't sure I wanted to get into. I was thinking about Link for a long time, and I never triggered it. And now I'm into Link. Because you guys tipped me Link, so now I'm into the game, so I'm interested in Link. Now I hold stake in Link. So it makes it more interesting. Like Bearish Divergence, moving down, hitting that 20, taking a bounce, getting above, right? We talked about this area. We talked about supporting here, holding this. Try and get back above it, so it's pretty good. Yeah. We actually bounced at the 20, so it's pretty good. Now, short-term high-low, possible positive high-low. Nothing on the daily that is bearish. Bought at 62.12. Spotify ads, let's get rid of that. I better be interested in Link. I am interested in Link. You guys tip me Link. I have to be interested now. Let's keep rolling, right? Let's go to the 4 hour, man. High, low, high, low. Bearish divergence against strong bearish divergence. No, sorry, hidden bearish divergence against the RSI, right? No, sorry, against the MACD. There we go. I almost botched it against the RSI. Against the MACD, so actually the upside. Crypto Boomer! Inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour for Link? Or for which project? Boomer's in the house. Wow. Dude, I was super worried about you, man. Like, legit. I was talking to Jake and Soka the other day, and I was like, dude, I'm worried about Boomer, man. He hasn't been here for a couple days. I hope everything is good on his end, man. Like, literally today, man. Let's keep rolling. Making sure everything was in order real quick as I keep on moving. Yeah, I imagine, dude. You know, I'm sorry about those losses that you had, man. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Let's keep rolling. Anyways, hidden bearish potential actually to the downside. Very, very nice on Link. Let's go to the 1 hour Link. We have strong bearish divergence in the short term, and it looks like it might actually trigger. I'm not sure how strong this move is going to be. But remember when I told you on Bitcoin or other project, how about this crosses that can get really, really close? Well, we just made a 1 negative momentum island, and it's like, oh, no, never mind, psych, and start to expand again, right? So watch out for those. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, never side to hard point. Again, strong bearish divergence also against the RSI. We're bought at 67.68. So I'm going to check this out, dude. You're calling this an inverse head and shoulders? I think this shoulder is much higher, man. More than I want to see it. It's 9% from this shoulder to that shoulder. It's like a very, very skewed head and shoulder. So I don't like it. I wouldn't hold my breath on that one. I like the fact that it hit the 20 and found support and pumped, right? Again, that's pretty good. Just wouldn't go with head and shoulders. It's not really doing a deep shoulder where it's coming to this level, more or less. Bird's eye, want to get some Link, but might wait for a dip. Awesome. Might not doing numbers. Great. Right, so I'm not sure about the head and shoulders. Right now I see the bearish divergence. Not super concerned yet. We might try to hold support at the 20, and we have the trend line is very steep right now, right? We'll have to go there maybe for that trend line, but you know, it's very, very steep. Or the upsloping channel should be very steep, right? So let's wait for a Link, man. It can get a little bit of pullback happening. That's gonna be it for the Link. The Link. Now the recaps. Great. Bitcoin and Litecoin got requested, so thank you guys for being here again. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Thank you for the awesome support and joining the channel, man. For reals, I really appreciate y'all. Bitcoin the 1 hour bearish divergence moving down, trying to recover above the 20, but struggling right now, just barely holding on to it. Oh, it's holding on to it. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there, so the hard point. Neutral at 52.28. So let's see if Bitcoin keeps on recovering. Again, I really, really wanted to see it hit that head and shoulders move from the half hour. Right? This head and shoulders. Oh, shit, which chart do we had it on? This one. Right? See, Boomer? This is more like a head and shoulders, right? And this one I like better because the distance from one shoulder to another one, it's almost negligible. So from here to here, it's like 0.56%, right? You want to be, from one shoulder to the other one, you want to be approximately 3 to 4%, maybe 5%. Sometimes 5% doesn't trigger. And then if you're above that, every percentage points you go up, it's like a lesser chance of it playing out. So you head and shoulders, you want them to be like, look like a head and shoulders, right? Like shoulder well defined, head, and then shoulder well defined, right? So this was for real, so head and shoulder, right? We have it here. So we have it here, and see how it just felt the trigger. It's high, so it could be getting a small retrace. Have that hidden divergence in the half hour. It seems to be recovering, but rejecting near the 20. Again, not really liking the way Bitcoin recovered so far. Horst. Do I think the weak volume over the last hour is a bad sign? Yeah. I'm saying I don't like the way Bitcoin's recovering right now. So let's go Litecoin now. The Litecoin. What is the Litecoin doing at $140.49? What? Let's go to the daily. Hidden bullish, taking a pop, great. Neutral at 50.01. The 4 hour. Hidden bullish to here, we dropped lower, we didn't have anything. Again, trying to recover. That's fine, trying to get above that 20 on the 4 hour. Neutral at 48.58. We didn't have anything here. On the 1 hour, we had bearish divergence. We had strong bullish popping on that. Hidden bearish. Fell to drop lower in the previous low. Try to recover, but now we're starting to develop because we didn't have it on the previous hour, right? So we started at 9. So this was 10. See how it pumped? Great. Got above that 20, but it's starting to create this strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Just keep in mind that this is starting to build, right? We could get it. Sometimes they just, get this small cross and then it gets undone very quickly. Let's hope that's not the case. We don't have it against RSI. But again, there's a potential for action to downside if this doesn't continue building, right? Sometimes they get undone very quickly, but let's hope this actually fails to trigger. And then this needs to pump a lot to get rid of this divergence, right? Of this, it needs to pump more than this momentum here, 1.38. Right now, I just pumped 0.11, so it really needs a lot of strength to pump. It needs to probably get above its previous high here of 146 and $146 and like 50 cents, I think it was, or 20 cents or whatever. Now let's keep on moving. Is that real, Boomer? I didn't hear that, man. Crypto Man, is Litecoin worth owning? Maybe, man. I'm not doubting to Litecoin. The only Litecoin I hold is what you guys have been kind enough to tip me with Litecoin. I don't like the project that much. Not that I don't like it. I don't like what Charlie Lee did when 2017, and he sold and offloaded a lot of his bags, or most of his bags, if not all of his bags, on the market back then, on the all-time high. So I let's say I'm against that, because if you believe in the project, he should have held for longer term. The fact that he offloaded is just like, I'm not sure if he doesn't believe in the project, and that just didn't sit well with me. That's very interesting, Boomer. I'm really interested in that. Let's go to DVT now. Where DVT at? Is that reloaded? 1,174. Yes, it is. Let's go here. Let's see where we're at. 3.6 sats. Right. This is a good area. I believe this is gonna be good value, right? Because you might see this shoot up a lot. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, low, high. Nothing here that is bullish. Also, nothing here that is bearish, because that's what we called yesterday. Here we went slightly lower. Did we call something here bearish? I can't remember, but no. I don't think we have anything right now in short term for the vault. So it's just moving sideways a little bit. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, I know, Horst, but you know. Mamba, Chainlink almost back to all-time highs. Yeah, we just covered it, man. Yeah. We just went over it. It's pretty good, man. Just look like that. MACD, dude. You'll find it. Interesting, Jason. 3060 Ti. Interesting. Let's keep rolling here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to a higher point. Yes, nothing bullish, but also nothing bearish, right? We had bearish divergence from here to here. We're going slightly higher. It's not going to let me anchor right now. High, higher, then high, low, right? So we had that bearish divergence fraction to the downside. We moved down, but again, we're holding on very, very nice on the vault. Let's go to the daily. Grayscale has incorporated 6 more trusts, including ones for Chainlink and Teslas. Probably part of the reason they're pumping, dude. Also, BAT. Great. Decentraland. Awesome, dude. Filecoin, I never heard of, in Live Peer. Never heard of those. But that's pretty interesting that they're holding on to those. That's good, bro. I'll show that article in a second. Grayscale has incorporated 6 more trusts, including ones for Chainlink and Teslas. There we go. Right, so that's pretty good, man. Actually, we're gonna hold this and look at this later, man. On the daily, high, higher, positive, more positive, high. There's a hard point. Nothing bearish again, just moving down slightly, and it looks like it's, you know, consolidating after a nice move up from about 1 sat to almost 4.5 sats, I think, or yeah, 4.5 sats. Now 3.6. So very, very nice consolidation, right? Let's go and check out RSR now. RSR at 3.8. It bounced from 3.1. Awesome. Crypto Legend, no, I don't think we're in a bear market. You know, the trend's still bullish. Just because we pulled down, it doesn't mean we're in a bear market. I'd shown the chart plenty of times, showing the parabolic advances that Bitcoin's doing, so I don't think we're in a bear market. Overall, since its inception, Bitcoin has just gone but up. So, it's been bullish long term. I will just say, yeah, we're moving down a little bit, but I wouldn't call it a bear market yet. We're above the 200 moving average, right? Once we move below 200 moving average, I would probably say we're in a bear market, but that's at like 16K, I think we established, or 20K, or some weird number below that 16K area, right? Crypto Man's gonna buy $50 in Decentraland. Interesting. I'll check in a second, man. Let me get through RSR real quick, and I'll go back. And I'll explain to you on Bitcoin why we're not in a bear market, right? Hidden bullish divergence, trying to pump a little bit, that's fine. Neutral at 53.43, right? And what I just drew is some bearish divergence that I probably skipped for some reason. I'm not sure. 1 second. Yeah. No lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. I'm not seeing anything bullish right now. We got above that 236 and, you know, rejected the 382. And now we're still above and holding support at 236, which is really good. We might face that 20 face resistance, see where we go from there. I'll go back to the link in a second for a recap. Again, bullish divergence, right? We call that for link. Action to the upside. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We popped. Now high higher. So high low. Lower high. And we're coming from low to high, right? So hidden bearish. And we also have it against the RSI. So action to the downside or potential reversal. We're just flagging again down a little bit, trying to pump. Low high, negative plus negative low on the other side to hard point. Neutral. 52.70. If we manage to hold support here at 236, we could be looking for our start to reclaim. It's 3.9 or 4 cent area. It needs to get above the 20 though. Right now it's still below it. So that's it for RSR. Let's go to Bitcoin again real quick to explain why. Yeah, it's just moving down a little bit. Why is Bitcoin on the things we were calling, right? We on this chart. Let's go here. Let's go on log scale, and we're on the weekly, and let's zoom out. And let's hide the Bollinger because they mess everything up here. This is not where I have my problem advances. Where is it? This is one? Yeah, right. So look, since inception, right? Bitcoin's on an uptrend. Moving up, again, bear market, right? After moving up, right? We hit the high of 2017. This bull market, or this run, started on January 15, 2015 and ended on December 25, 2017. So 2 years. This one started here on November 21st, 2011 and ended on December 09, 2013. So 2 years. And now we're on this one, right? So you're asking me whether or not we're in a bear market. Look, we're going higher still, right? Now, something I'm going to do here is I'm going to get out of log scale, go on auto, go to another chart. This one might actually work. It doesn't have a lot of data on it regarding this, but I believe that if I get a 200 moving average here, might be able to show it properly. So, this is not going to work for this. I'm going to have to go to this chart that we use. And it's going to be very cluttered. And sorry about this, guys, but it is the chart that we have. Why is it not shifting charts? There we go. Come on, switch. There we are. Why is it not bringing the 200? Is this not the chart we're looking for? Are you not entertained? Dude, where is the chart we're looking at for this? Is it this one? It's because I'm on the weekly. Duh, dude. Fudge. It's Bittrex chart. It is this one, the one we need, though. But, you know. Look, Bitcoin. All right. 2015. No, I think this one had more data on it. Yeah, 2015. This works, right? Above the 200 moving average, we're doing good, right? We're on a bull trend. Below 200 moving average, bear trend, right? We entered the bear market on, March 2018 after we lost this area. So we entered the bear market that lasted until April 2nd of 2019. Then we entered a small bull market that brought us to new high. Now we entered a bear market here, right? So you see that orange there, that orange line. And now we crossed it and we are in a bull market again. And that 200 moving average is at $16,000. So for us to go back into a bull market, I would say Bitcoin needs to drop below $16,000 or below 200 moving average right now. We're really, really far away from it. I don't think we're in a bear market, right? That's what I'm talking about. So let's go to this chart. Again, super cluttered. This one has better data maybe. Sure, let's see. Yeah, look at this, right? So this one's cleaner, but above the 200, below the 200, above 200, slightly below, and then back above, and look at where we're at. We just took off, right? So above 200, super bullish. Below 200, bearish. I don't see it being bearish right now. Now, recap link real quick, because someone said it's pumping, so let's go to link. It's pumping, dude! It is at 22.82. Great. It's really not moved much from where we were live, dude. It just pumped down a little bit, moving back up slightly. Let's get this as a 20 moving average. It's going to make the chart look a lot better. There we are. Great. Can't wait for my mouse to get in here, man. I'm really, really excited for the mouse to get in. And my mic. And what else did I get, dude? The mic with the guard and the stream deck, dude. The stream deck's gonna come in on Friday of next week. The mic should be coming on a Monday, and then the mouse and the RAM should be here sometime during next week. They just shipped, so I don't have the updated time for them. But that's gonna be awesome, dude. I did go ahead and skip that line and purchased earlier, so I'm still gonna make up that difference there. But yeah, it's a stream goal, right? I just needed the mouse, dude. Particularly with the long sessions, I can feel it on my wrist a little bit. And that new mouse, I think it has a little bit better ergonomics. It's not going to be a vertical mouse, but it's just going to be a mouse that might have better ergonomics. At some point in time, I'm going to have to like change this wooden chair because it is tough on the back. I'll probably get something better for the body so I can sit here a little bit longer and really do this more comfortable also. Not get so tired because yesterday my back was also starting to hurt a little bit. Do I think Bitcoin will drop down? I'm not sure yet, dude. I think Bitcoin's trying to determine where it wants to go, right? Yeah, get the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. That should be good for you. Bird's View Eye. Did we not do a link earlier? Oh, no, we did another link. We did a link back here, and that's why. I accidentally left, close and open the link chart. That's why I was like, dude, we did link. Why doesn't it not have any data loaded on it? It's like my link chart is off for some reason. Ooh, my link chart is tingling. Kiko wants to go to the moon to KFC. Dude, stop mentioning KFC. You're making me really hungry, dude. I want to go grab another cold one because I'm thirsty. But thank you guys for being here. I'll be right back. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Thank you for being awesome supporters of the channel. And I'll be right back. Just give me one quick second. Yo, guys, what is up? Thank you. I'm back. Oh, DVT to Bitcoin? I just did that. I'll do it again on a recap, man. Oh, no. What? I missed something. Right, so DVT, right? DVT doesn't have anything bearish on the daily, right? High higher, positive, more positive, high higher on the RSI again, flagging a little bit, or consolidating this area at 3.6 sats on the 4 hour, right? High higher, high higher, high higher. Everything was good. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? Some hidden bullish divergence right now. So from here Not sure if we call this one on the 4-hour, man. I might have skipped this, but, you know. To there, right? It's hidden bullish. Action to the upside. Potentially. Or stalling, which is what we're getting. And on the 1-hour. I think on the 1-hour we were clear. Or no, we had bearish divergence. It's not loading the 1-hour now. Why is it not loading the 1-hour? See, it got stuck now. For some reason, sometimes it gets stuck when I go opposites, right? So let's see if I can jump from here to the 1-hour and load it. Yeah, there we go, the 1-hour. See, sometimes it goes off. High, low, right? High, low. That's nothing bearish there. We had bearish from here to here. So I kind of killed any bearishness. High, low, positive, high, low, right? Low, high, low, negative, less negative, low, higher, low, right? So that's fine. Then here, short term, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Doesn't have anything bullish or bearish. It's just moving sideways, right? What?
Just got here a couple of days ago, but enjoying your stream and the community. Here's some help on that RAM and mouse.
Yo, Montara. Dude, thank you so much for the awesome tip, bro. Much appreciated, man. Dude, thanks so much, man. Yeah, dude, that's gonna help out a lot, man. I really appreciate that. It's so cool of you to support the channel, man. Thanks. I hope you really enjoy the show. $20 from the goal. Yeah, that's gonna be cool, man. For some reason, like, some things don't add up to the goal, right? Like, I think the super chats don't add up to the goal, but if you tip on fiat or crypto, they add up to the goal. It's just weird, dude. I'm not sure, but super chat's not adding up to the goal. But even if they added up to the goal, I would have to, like, you know, see how much super chat we had, and I had to remove like 30% because that's, you know, what YouTube keeps. So new chair time. Yeah, someone wanted to. I think it was LV that says I wanted to send you a chair. And I was like, dude, it's gonna be super expensive if you send a chair from the US to Mexico. For me to get a 20-inch display, like a marquee that it's gonna be hanging right there on the stream, with the prices of crypto scrolling through, it was just like $60 to get it here, man. The guys from Bitcoin, or no, crypto coin displays are hooking me up with that to put here on the stream, and I kind of enjoy that because it's gonna look really legit. And it's going to be this large thing. It's like 20 inches, dude, right? I think I'm going to get the red one. I'm not sure. We didn't actually specify colors. But I think I'm just going to get the red and black. That's going to be fine for the stream. I don't want it to be too bright that it's, like, you know, taking all over the place. But it's going to be really tight. So, yeah. It's this one here. And it's going to be pretty tight, man. I can't wait to get it. They have really cool ones. Like, for example, this one in the shape of Bitcoin. It's on sale from $120 to $99. But, you know, it's small on the bottom. But if you're like crypto and want to show it off, it has, like, RGB lights. So it's going to be really cool once you have it there, right, on your desk. It's going to look legit. And if you like Litecoin, I think he had one for Litecoin. He might have changed the website. Because there was one for Litecoin. And then this tiny one is pretty tight for it just to sit on the desk. Then this tiny one's also very nice. Right? These ones are very nice. The mini and this one. This one's also on sale from $69 to $65. So if you guys want to show support to someone that's in the crypto community, go check out cryptocoindisplay.com. They're really cool. What? Boomer. Wow, dude. Thanks for the 20 Canadian, man. Much appreciated. Squeaky mouse. I already purchased it, man. I went ahead and skipped the wait. It should be arriving here next week. A lot of people don't like the mouse. Some people like it, man. You know, some people don't like it. Some people say it's like ASMR, and then some people say, like, get rid of that squeaky thing. I got a super silent mouse. I actually don't like buying expensive mouses, but this one was really highly recommended. It's the Logitech Masters MX3. It's like $100, and I want to get a gaming mouse, but, you know, I heard a guy do a review on both, And he said that the gaming mouse, although it's really cool because it has a lot of buttons, it was really getting tired after many hours of use. And since I'm really sitting here for a long time, I want a mouse that's a little bit more ergonomic, particularly for the mouse, for the hands. I don't want to get like anything like carpal tunnels or stuff like that happening. So definitely an ASMR mouse. Yo, Bobo, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Today I was actually playing with stuff and I set up the levels for the stream so you could hear my voice better. And I was messing around with stuff and I was almost sure that I had gotten rid of mouse noise. Because when I was listening to it, I wasn't hearing it back on the feedback. But I'm probably going to do that again. Click the mouse a couple more times and see if I can get rid of that completely, at least while the new mouse comes in. Mouse with back button is a must. Yeah, the one I'm getting is pretty cool, man. And that's thanks to you guys. And, it's going to... I just buy stuff that improves the quality of the stream, right? Yeah, I know, dude, Boomer. For some reason, like, the super chats are not adding up. I'm not sure why. I need share. I know, dude. I'm not sure why they're not adding up to the total, man. The super chats don't add there, but they go on YouTube, right? I'm not sure why I need to do with stream elements for them to show, man. I'm sorry about that, man. I'm sitting on the Flintstones chair. No, that would be actually a pretty cool chair to sit on, dude. I would love to sit on the Flintstones chair. Like the hype cup does not give me an option to recognize super chat. That's just weird, right? So, and then the it does give me the super chat alert, but it's not adding up to the total for some reason. I'm not sure how to get it to add up to the total, right? I've been thinking with this for a little bit, and I'm not sure why it's not doing it. If anything, and probably what I'm going to end up doing, it's fixing some place so I can put, somewhere up there or somewhere down there, the super chat tips, because they're really not coming through. So I might have to have them separately from, the other stuff, because, when you do through PayPal or when you do something else, it goes through Stream Elements, I think. And the super chat it does get sent to Stream Elements, but I think it's more on YouTube. I'm not sure if it's something on YouTube communicating. What?
For the BTC ticker fund, rock on gesture.
Yo, Big Jedi, thank you, man. I don't need a Bitcoin ticker fund, bro. I really appreciate that. It's getting sent to me for free from the guys at CryptoCoin Display, and I just had to pay the shipping. It was like $60 shipping from the US to Mexico, which is really, really expensive. Like sending things from the US to Mexico is like stupid expensive. So, Double A, when you said Double V, sorry, when you said you wanted to send a chair, I was like, no, dude, it's gonna be like the shipping and the custom fees are gonna be more expensive than the chair, man. So don't know train. Yeah, dude. Anyways, that's it for DVT, man. Let's move on and let's go back here. Let's see something else. Someone requested Engine and SNX. Guys, try to keep proper format. It really helps me keep the stream in, get all the coins and everyone gets noticed. I mean, I've been paying more attention today because it's kind of like a slow day, right? And I'm taking it easy, so I'm looking at a little bit more at the chat. But when I'm like full on charting, I don't have time to look. It really makes it easy for the mods and me to look or try to scroll and find the requests. So please help me with that, right? Trust your head and shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears, and mouth and nose. Link what? Link, you said something about Link. I couldn't get it. Link, small pullback at 25, but going to 27. Interesting. We're going to go back to Link. Bitcoin pumping, this is decay now. I doubt it. If you can donate, just like, yeah, dude, the fact that you guys are here and giving me time, it's enough support for me, man. Can we look at Ethereum? Yo, Stephen Bryce, sure, man. Just let me do some quick recap, and I'll recap Ethereum, right? Now I got two coins I gotta go through: Engine and SNX. Link 20. Yeah, Link 25. Didn't reject 25. Where do you see the rejection of 25, dude? It's at 23, dude. Boomer. Not waking 25 yet. Oh, you mean Canadian dollars, right? 25 Canadian dollars. That's why it's off. Yeah, if you're looking at Canadian exchange, yeah, probably hit 25. Does the game look bullish? Maybe they're talking about Canadian dollars because it's 23 US, so it's probably higher on the Canadian dollar index. Right, so before I actually do Engine and SNX, because they weren't requested through the proper format, I'm going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum real quick for a recap. Bullish divergence, right? Hidden. Action to the upside. Pushing back down, but pulling back up a little bit right now. It's good. I like the fact that it's pulling back up. I hate it how the day opened. Let's see how we're recovering on the short time scales. Dude, just trying to move up slightly. 0.88%. Again, hidden bullish. That's what we have on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour. Dude, that beer's cold. It's cool. I like it. Beer. Yes. Beer. Who uses Coinbase? Well, yeah, that's where your crypto tips go, actually. Coinbase. So yeah, I have to use it. High, low, low, high, low, high, right? Bearish divergence moving down, trying to hold on support at that 20. Let's see if it manages to hold on there and get above 33,357. Want to get there. Someone requested a recap of Ethereum, so yeah, real quick. Ethereum on the daily. Let's go. Hidden bullish divergence. Action to the upside, getting up. Dude, trying to get above that 1,261. Let's see if it's going to make it. On the 4 hour. Again, recovering a little bit better than Bitcoin. Trying to get above that 20. Let's see if it's going to make it. We don't have anything else, right? Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Neutral at 50.90. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, we have also bounce at the 20. We talked about that bounce. So very nice. Bearish divergence, hidden. Action to the downside, bouncing at the 20, giving continuation to the bullish divergence. Strong that we had back here. Could really try to get us above that at 1,292. That would be really good. I want to see Ethereum back on this level, 1,287 to 1,292. Good family TA. Hello. Nice to meet everyone. Or God family TA. Sorry. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Engine. Let's go to Engine. Someone requested Engine, man. Can we get an Engine, man, down here? We need help. There we go, man. Engine. 39.71. Let's go on the daily. Yeah, by the way, I hope you guys like the stream. If you do, hit the like button on the sub. We have 148 people watching. Only 127 likes. Come on. Some people haven't liked. Or maybe they disliked. I'm not sure. But thank y'all for being here. I really appreciate y'all. And all the support you give to this awesome channel. For reals. It's like legit. I appreciate everyone that comes here and gives, time, likes, dislikes. They're also good for the algorithm, Everyone that just basically comes through here, man. I really appreciate y'all. I sound British like that? Thanks, man. Yeah, let's do Engine. Higher. Nothing here, right? Everything's going high. Came back down, hit that 618, rebouncing. We're back on this level between its previous high here, because we know we just were there, to the 786 at 35.61. So the high at 42.18. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Best channel. Since we've gotten so many tips, I need to set up a tip goal for my drinking buddy to come out. I think we got enough tips to bring the drinking buddy out, so I will, I'm gonna get Seamus to come out and have a sit on my shoulder. Hello, Seamus. He's gonna sit here throughout the stream and just enjoy his beer. His tiny little wee bit beer. It'll be a tiny wee bit beer, man. Cheers, Seamus. Yo. Seamus sometimes comes out and hangs out. I gotta set up a tip goal for him to come out. But yeah, he's like the drinking buddy, man. That way, I'm drinking here. I don't know if you guys are drinking over there. Some of you guys might be drinking over there, but you know, at least he's like, you know, sitting and drinking with me. He's chilling there, being a tiny, nice little leprechaun, dude. Had to catch him back in Ireland. It is a feisty one, I tell you. What is your ankle doing on my neck? I'm not sure, dude. He just came over to have fun. Stole him from Ireland. High low, possible spots at high low, right? Bought at 61.41. So it's nothing here, dude. Hidden bullish pumping us up. Now, do we have something here on engine? Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. Great. Dude, some hidden bearish, but you know, don't seem to be that bad. That's just making us go sideways. And we're going from low to slightly higher point here. Great. Let me actually make this larger, and even from here, we're going slightly larger. Yep, that works. So from there to there. Some hidden, what?
Just found your channel and really been enjoying the streams those past few days. Euro is the Euro BTW. Don't let those Brexiteers hear you call it pound, smiley face.
Dude, I don't want to start a war here. But Horace, thank you, man. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for liking the channel. Thank you for the awesome $30 tip, man. I really, really appreciate it. Dude, that's crazy, dude. That's awesome, dude. I cannot read the whole thing because, you know, I don't want to get the, like, English guys to be hating the channel. But thanks for that, man. I really appreciate it. Euro is a euro, by the way. Yeah. Those Brexiters. It's Seamus. Yeah, it's out. It came out of, like, his, you know, gold, whatever they have, right? Pot. Dude, thank you very much, Horst, for the $30, man. Nice count on 15. Yeah, that's Seamus. Yeah, Ethereum predictions. Yeah, we're looking at Ethereum. We just looked at Ethereum, man. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there, set to higher point. Neutral at 58.42. Again, high, low. Nothing here that is bearish right now. It's just really, really flirting with that MACD and signal line. We're about to get another cross. If that cross happens, positive momentum, potential pump coming in. Maybe to reach 42.19, right? That'll be the target right now. We're holding support at the 20. Again, you know, remember when I tell you hidden divergence sometimes just means downside or sideways? This, in this case, just went sideways, right? Like, you can box the move here. It's not going to be the prettiest box, but it's going to be a box nonetheless, and you can tell that the moves are within that. So we're just getting sideways motion with that hidden divergence. That is like a kind of like bullishness continuation. So that hitting that 20 could really get us to pump. Oh, Double B just got timed out. I'm sorry, man. Seamus the pimp man. Yeah, he is a pimp man, dude. You can call him a pimp man, Grant Andration. He has some fairies dancing and stuff. Let's go to SNX. I think he just typed too many times, and Nightbot timed him out. I'm not sure. Sorry, guys. There we go. So let's do SNX. Bearish divergence. We were slightly higher when we called it, so we'll just track it there. Moving down on that, low, high, negative, more negative. So SNX is creating some bullish divergence there. All right, hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside against the RSI, against the MACD, but not against the RSI, right? Neutral 58.81. What's going on, dude? Yeah. You want predictions? Show me your hand. I'll give you a prediction. Yeah, no worries, bro. Thank you, Marco. Right? Did it really? Let's go check it out. Someone just said that. I'm gonna go back to engine, dude. Just someone said that Litecoin just got bumped by Chainlink. So Let's go to the rankings. It did. Chainlink just bumped Litecoin by a little bit. Well, not a little bit, but a little bit in market moves, right? Wow, Litecoin. Look, the old coins losing it. Where's the XRP losing it like a top 5 right now? Cardano could easily overtake XRP, dude. If Steve wanted to pump it, because Steve is the Cardano pimp here. He's the Cardano man. Where am I from? I'm from Mexico, dude. Thank you, Marky B. Do you think we'll go back to 30K? Yeah, I'm not ruling it out, man. I said I didn't like the pump Bitcoin was doing. It could be taking a rest before it pumps up again. I just didn't like the way it pumped and pulled back. I didn't like the way the pullback felt after it got to 33K and change. Jack O'Malley, would you buy a bit now? Oh, maybe. A bit of what? Be more precise. Would I buy? I'm looking at SNX, so I'm not sure what you want me to look at. Sorry, we already finished engine. I'm on SNX. On you. Oh, thank you, dude. From I'm not sure how to say your name because I don't read Chinese, but thanks for your kind comment. Neutral at 59.71. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, action downside. Great. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, lower, nothing here that is bullish. Take a small pump getting above that 20 again. Just now, looks like sideways motion for the most part. Dropping down a little bit. But that recovery looks good. It's getting it back in line, right? So I'm not super worried. Don't look too bad for SNX. It does have some bearish divergence that is starting to build, though, right? So from here to here. 4 hour chart. There we go. Hello. So we don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Hidden bearish. Potential action to downside or side this motion. We did move down, hit that 20, taking a bounce. I'm not sure if this move is done playing out, but, I'm not finding anything bullish in the 4 hour. Maybe we can have something here on the 1 hour. I'm not sure. I'll leave that there. Sometimes it does happen that I, draw something here, and then it's there on the 1 hour. So great. Let's think it there. Let's go to the 1 hour. I want to see that same time frame here. See if we have something. I think we might not this time. I was really intrigued at this drop that it had, right? And I was wondering whether or not we had that bullish divergence. We don't have it where I was looking for this, where I believe that I could find this, right? But we have it in another part. Now I'm going to assume this. We're obviously making more negative momentum. We have it here. Right, within this island. So that, I'll just track onto there. For me, it would seem to probably make sense. We're going to get it at this low to this low, but we just have it in the shorter time scale, and that's fine. We're bought at 26.29. I was expecting to find something here for the pump, and we did, right? So high, low, positive, more positive, right? Some bearish divergence hidden. And action to downside, we did move down, hit that 20, trying to bounce. Again, sideways motion, action to downside, it works for this divergence, right? From here and from here to here. Great, man. Awesome. Now, again, we're starting to pump. We're low on the RSI. What potentially can happen here is just going to depend on how strong the pump is. But basically, anything that goes higher than the previous high. Oh, I forgot to draw it. There we go. Will get us to go here, and then we'll still be probably low here on the MACD and the RSI. So we're probably going to start making strong bearish divergence. We might be able to shake it off. It's just going to depend on how strong it pumps. But as soon as we get above this area, we're making bearish divergence. And that could happen very soon, right? Failing to get above that area would imply continuation of the hidden bearish, right? Hidden bearish divergence. Remember, we just called it. So failing to get above the previous high, continuation, we might move down again to retest that 20. We'll see. Christopher Lone, XRP trading was halted. Where? XRP trading was halted on what exchange? It trades on many exchanges, Christopher. Please let me know. I'm interested on that. Silica. Sure, man. We haven't done it yet. We actually haven't done that many coins today. Right now, just Project 19 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 projects that skip the queue on tips. So it's really not a lot, right? It's just usually by this time, we've done 25 to 29 projects. Or yeah, approximately 25 projects. So right now it's just to take it easy time. Something it easy. Halted days ago. Yeah, it got halted on Coinbase, or I can't remember, Kraken somewhere. Coinbase, right? It's not longer here. I have that. I've shown that. But when you said it's halted, I'm not sure where else it got halted, because at least where I have it, it's still trading. It's still showing there, right? So, thank you, XRP is free on Coinbase. It's a shame for XRP. Yep. Dorvalis! Are we still love? We still love? Yeah, why not? Yeah, Bitcoin's going through a little pump, right? Kraken's gonna stop trading on the 29th. That's gonna be interesting, Boomer. I haven't heard anything official on that, though, right? It's just rumors so far. Live, yes, man. We're still live. Dorvalis. Valar Dorvalis. I keep, like, it sounds like something out of Game of Thrones, dude. When he said Dorvalis, I was like, dude, that sounds like out of Game of Thrones. Yeah, I'll do Silica in a second, man. I know it's requested. That's actually the next coin we're going to do. We don't have anything else on the queue, but I wanted to check something out. Someone said that Bitcoin's on a descending triangle, and I want to say no. It is not on a descending triangle. We established that we had, at some point in time, a symmetrical triangle that we broke out of, and that measure move could have as target 20,000, but when it moved down, it created a wick, and that wick is creating this falling wedge, right? It's not a descending triangle, it's a falling wedge, right? Descending triangles and falling wedges are different beasts in nature. Descending triangles, your line has to be flat. You have to be coming down. That is a descending triangle. Descending triangles tend to be bearish, and they tend to break down. You'll be coming in like this and then break down, right? The other hand, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. Don't matter where it comes from, the up, the downside, or the upside, right? Still, it works the same way. Falling wedges tend to be bullish. Descending triangles, bearish, right? Just keep that in mind. Rising triangles tend to be bullish, but rising wedges tend to be bearish. Right? Symmetrical triangles break either way. Quick notes, right? Again, when I put up educational material, that's all going to be there. You can't get XRP on hold. Yeah, you can still buy it. They said that they're not going to halt the trading. Kraken's halting XRP trading, just a rumor. Cool, man. I haven't seen that, though, but, you know, someone wants their Spark. This is Sparkta. To American. No, I'm not American. I'm in Mexico, dude. Thanks for asking, Bernardo Costa. What is the difference between those two triangles? All right, the one is not triangle, the other one's a wedge. Wedges are quicker, not quicker. Wedges are bullish. Descending triangles are bearish. So again, you know, I just explained them. So I'm not sure if you caught that or not, but one's a triangle, the other one's a wedge. Gonna go look at Silica now. Oh, Boomer's cheering for Link. Great. Boomer needs a new pair of shoes. Dude, I like that. Great. So where's the Silica at, man? Can you request for GNT? Sure. Why not? Well, wedge, it's both lines are falling down. Or both lines are going up, right? Sorry, Ben. That's a quick answer, so I'll go here real quick. Rising wedge. Falling wedge, right? Both lines are going up. Both lines are coming down. Triangles. Like, I'll try to do this as an exercise that might work. So this is a triangle, right? I'll separate them a little bit so I can draw better. But then that triangle can come down here, and that will be a downsloping triangle, right? And as soon as this drops a little bit more, it becomes a falling wedge, right? But triangles tend to be flat or symmetrical or ascending, right? So descending, ascending, or symmetrical triangles. Wedges, rising wedge, falling wedge, right? So again, triangles and wedges are different beasts. You trade them similarly, but you expect different things. So, silica. Potential double bottom, right? I haven't called it a double bottom yet. It's potential. It's still there. It's starting to build. Going sideways, that's fine. We're starting to revert. If we break above this line, we're looking for that. And the target to the upside on the double bottom. It looks like an atom and atom. It could be around 33%. So we could look at approximately somewhere up here. I can't even tell where it's at because I have a US number there. 10 cents, right? 10 cents for silica. Right now it's sitting at 6. So not super bad, right? So let's see if we have something here. We're going sideways, negative, less negative. Yeah, that would make it. It's part of being a potential wedge, as they get sideways motion more or less. But you know, I do believe that this is going slightly higher, so I'm not going to give it that medium bullish divergence. Right, I'm just going to zoom in here to show you why. Like this is low and that is slightly higher, man. I mean, we could, if you wanted to say it's going sideways from here to here, and then go negative, less negative, and give it medium bullish. Yeah, we could. I mean, medium bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. Why not? Start to recover. Let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence strong, action to the downside, move down. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Nothing bullish even from here to here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Starting to recover, might have some divergence here on the 1 hour. Hit that 20, rejecting, trying to stay above that 6.5 cent area. Again, let's see what we have on the shorter time scale because we don't have anything there. Me for the win? Thanks, man. I'm not sure why I'm for the win, but thank you, man. Appreciate it. Bo Clifton. Is this a cult? No. We're just people chilling, dude. It's a pretty cool community. We're the cult of Seamus. He be the leader. No, we're just chilling talking about crypto, bro. Like analysis for markets. So, hope you find that interesting. Possible movements of markets, you know, stuff like that. Low, lower, nothing there, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, nothing bullish, bro. What? I was really hoping to find something bullish here. I'm just surprised I'm not finding it. And again, you know, it could be pumping because other projects are pumping, so it's fine. Right? Sorry, guys, I moved something here. I hope that's good. I hope I didn't make a lot of noise. Double B's heading out. Thanks for being here, man. How do you at on phone? Good question. Sure. Milkshake, can you look at data? Sure. ADA recap? Yeah, man, no worries. I'll do a recap for ADA. Just let me see where I put it on my list. Wow, guess what? Believe it or not, we haven't done ADA. That's freaking crazy, dude. We haven't done it. So we'll do ADA. Steve hadn't requested it, and I didn't put it in the list. Right, let's do silica on the 1 hour. Not finding anything here. Bearish divergence, though, hidden. That's the only thing I see here. Move down slightly, hit that 20, trying to find support. But again, we did see this move on a couple of projects, so I'm not really worried about it. Might perform to the tune of other projects. That's it for Silica. Let me go through GNT now. Bitcoin continues to bump. Let's hope so, man. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin a little bit. GNT. Oh, USD. Golem. Oh, dude, Golem got the listed of my exchange a while back, so not sure how good they're doing, man. Let's go on Bitfinex. Don't look like the prettiest chart, but we'll see what if we can work with this. High, higher, high, low. Nope, we do have these ons here. Right, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Right, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, negative, more negative. All right, dude. I'm gonna look at another Golem chart. This one looks really ugly, dude. Oh, this one's even more. That's horrible, dude. GNT USD again. Coinbase, I'm not sure, man. This might be the best chart. Who knows? High, higher, possible, high, higher. That looks a little bit better here, actually. It looks more or less flat at 13 cents, right? It looks like it's a median of the last couple days. From here to here, some hidden bullish. That doesn't look like the best project right now, right? Neutral at 51.99, 89, sorry. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Looks like there might have been some bearish divergence here. Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside before it actually moved down on Golem. The Golem, it's there, man. It's awake. It's doing nothing. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Neutral at 51.99. Don't have anything bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Really? Bitcoin pumping? Let's go see, man. I was a little bit worried about the pullback that it got. I didn't like the pump. I need to see it above a certain level for me to like consider it to be in a good area. It has to be above 30,400, 34,500. Or even get above the $33,600 mark. I think we have a resistance there. Again, strong bullish divergence for this project. Potential action to the upside. We're getting that small pump coming in, which is good. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. High, 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 low. Right here. Bearish divergence. Strong action to the downside. Just moving sideways right now. Guys, one quick second. I'm just going to look something here real quick. Just getting alerts like crazy because the markets are moving up. That's why this is going crazy, dude. My phone is going nuts, man. Why don't you put an order, man, at like, you know, whatever you want to go in at or something like that. Anyways, GNT moving sideways a little bit. I'll do Theta and ADA in a second. Actually, I'm gonna do ADA first because horse tipped earlier, and I'll do Theta. He gave an awesome $30 tip, dude. That's awesome, right? That's awesome, dude. But before I do that, I just want to see Bitcoin real quick. 33,200. Yeah, getting above this area would be good, right? So 33,300, it's good, but getting above 34,400, it's gonna be much better, dude. I really want to see it go higher. So go Bitcoin. Pump very nice, 2.36% the last candle. That means Ethereum is above a good support. Yep, 1,261. Let's see if it holds. So let's go do ADA. Where ADA at? Hidden bullish, taking a pump. Did we do ADA today? I couldn't find it here on my list. Maybe I scratched it off too hard and I can't see it, but I don't think we've done it. We'll see when we get to the smaller timescales. Hidden bullish, action to the upside. We might have something here actually. Makes no sense where this is at. So That's weird. This line here is weird. It shouldn't be there. All right, potential action to the upside. We're bouncing, getting above and hitting that 37.02. Rejecting yesterday. We're back on this channel, 37.02 to 33.88. We already touched that 33.88 as support and trying to bounce. So let's go to the 4 hour. High higher, high low. Hidden bullish divergence section to the upside. Moved up. Great, man, right? That's pretty good. Getting above that 20, and again, same channel, right? Not a lot happening. High low, positive was positive, high low on the RSI. Neutral at 52.15. Let's go to the 1 hour. Well, so many people came in live. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. We have a lot of people on the Discord. We have an awesome community being built. And I love everyone that joins us and, helps us out, grow the community. Right, so the divergence that we had here, that divergence that we had there, okay, I'll just pinpoint it. We were losing it if we just tracked it there. But it did give us a small pump here, right, before we rejected the 20 and dropped lower. So it did play out, right? That divergence strong played out, dropped lower. It didn't create anything strong then. Pump slightly, high, low. Low, high. Also low to high, right? So we had hidden bearish divergence. Section to downside, we broke down. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to lower point. Nothing bullish there. Pumping with the rest of the market after finding support at 28.29. Yeah, 28.29. High, low, positive, more positive. Hidden bearish once more. And probably part of the reason that it's going sideways. See that? Holding on to the 20 beautifully, but going sideways. How do we know it's holding on to a 20? Look at how many times it's been near it, hitting it, and just bouncing at it lately. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, it doesn't have anything else. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 58.65, so it's doing good, man. A lot of chat went through. I'm sorry about that. The Rock is here. Thank you for being here, man. Trevor Lee Oakley. Ad is like Twitter. Yeah, but you can ping here people also with ad. Are you trading light? No. Sultry, dude, I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for being here, man. I missed a lot of chat, bro. Let's keep rolling. That's it for ADA, man. Thank you, Horst. Let's go to Theta now. Lisandro Peña, do you think of Matic? I'm not sure. I don't think we've done Matic today. Boomer Soulmatic, he says he's going to pump. It's going to be interesting. Changing the music. What the... Dude, chat's going nuts. Right, let's do Theta. Falling wedge. Broke to the upside, but failed to perform. Could we change and look at this as a sort of channel? Maybe. I don't like the way the touch points are here. We broke it, got back into it. Could worry. I mean, the wedge did break to the upside. It didn't hit a measure move, though, right? So that's why I didn't like it as a wedge. Hitting bullish, popped, rejecting. Nothing here that is bullish right now. From back here to not even, still slightly higher. Neutral at 54.13. So nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, hidden bullish, action to the upside, pump, high, low, positive, negative, high, low. So nothing bullish. Again, felt to go higher than the previous high. Continuation of the strong bearish and moving down on that. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower on the RSI. Fine. Sold at 34.36. Taking a small bounce. High, low, low to high. Great. Hidden bearish divergence. There we go. We don't have it against the RSI, just neutral at 51.36. Let's go to the 1 hour. Stun Catone can go to sleep. Yeah, a lot of people can go to sleep. It's called insomnia. Kidding, man. Crypto insomnia. It's we're gonna make that new it's gonna be a new disease that we're gonna have to, like, you know, go catalog somewhere. It's gonna be crypto insomnia, right? Insomnia by crypto. Insomnia from crypto trading, actually. Lower negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point, nothing bullish. Bearish divergence hidden, moving down, that's fine. Again, same bounce a lot of projects have, right? So again, nothing here, maybe the half hour, right? Look, theta low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing here either, man. So again, you're probably bouncing with the rest of crypto. That's fine. High, low, dude, still bearish divergence hidden. That's moving sideways, right? A lot of projects seem to be doing this. We just looked at a couple that are moving extremely similar, right? They took that same bounce with Bitcoin, and right now they're moving sideways more or less. Again, you know, we can box this in just to highlight, but, you know, something like this, and then with a small drop. But again, most of the moves contained within this rectangle. High, low, positive, high, low, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing here. Do we have fibs for this? Have we fibbed this? No, we haven't. Awesome. I'm going to fib it now. So I'm going to consider that the high and that there to be the low. And how we made a valid retrace? That's going to be the question. Yes, we made a valid retrace. We hit that 786. Let me just pinpoint this top portion there. That was pinpointed. There we go. All right, so we hit that 786. We broke slightly below it. We're now above it and rejecting the 20. So we're stuck here between those moves. So that's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour. Above that 786, so that's fine. Again, nothing wrong with theta right now. Matic. What, Boomer? Russian mail order bright candle? What's that? Horse, 7 a.m. Yeah, dude, set up an alert. You know, what would you consider a major move? Set up an alert to the upside, set up an alert to the downside, go to sleep, make sure you can hear your phone or your computer. That's it, right? So, like, you're able to go to sleep if you set up alerts. Great, let's roll. I just feel completely wrong. Nope, I'm going body to body, dude. I know I should have gone from low to high, dude. I know, but I wanted to get targets to the upside, right? And I'm ignoring the wicks, by the way. I chose to ignore the wicks. I don't want to consider the wicks for my fibs, right? You want me to go like this. Low to high. Great, man. You know, no worries. Still a fib. We're still bouncing. Same area. That's fine. I don't mind it. I just going body to body. I don't want to use the wicks. Or is it that you want me to use the local bottom here? I could also move there and use the local bottom. That's great, man. That's fine, right? Like, I'm not sure what you want me to do. You know, they're both fine, man. If I can see that the local bottom, go to the local high. That's fine. I want to go to the all-time bottom, and I want to see where we're bouncing, dude. And I'm just considering the bodies, right? I know, low to high, I know. But the thing is, I want to get targets to the upside in case this keeps on pumping, right? Because my 1618 is down here. I want to get it up here. It's more or less the same, dude, you know. Works more or less similar. Anyways, that's it for Theta. Not automatic, man. Yeah, no worries, then, Paul. Yeah, you know. I want to get the opposite targets. I want to see like movement to the opposite. Like right now, I know we can bounce down. Look, the 618 is the opposite of the 382, right? Where is this? Let's go on the daily. See, this is the opposite from that. If you subtract this from 100, you get the same targets here. These are the same targets, one after the other. These are the only ones that have a little bit of difference. The 236 is not exactly the opposite of the 786, but that's fine. You know what I wanted to see here on my fib was go from high to low here, because I wanted to get the target up here, the 1618. I want to see where it was at, where it would land, right, in this move. But yeah, you're right. I mean, if you wanted to go completely accurate here, it's from low to high. I know. I just want to take targets to the upside. And now we'd have to go high to low. And we're probably making valid reaches, but this is very small. And the 1618 here will be at 2.80 something. We're making a valid retrace. We're hitting that to 236. We're holding on support there, moving up to 382. I want to get the opposite though, right? That's it. Anyways, Matic. Hi all. Hello, Jordan Nadell. Thanks for being here. Matic. Right on. So, what's happening with the Matic, man? Bearish divergence, action downside, hitting that fib. Right, that 618. Getting above that 20, which is good. Fine. Again, not a lot happening here. Low, high. Are we making more negative momentum? Yep, more negative momentum. So we have some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And that's giving some support, because we're creating this right at a support, right? That 618 looked beautifully hit and bouncing. So very nice move there. We don't have that on the R side. Just so you can see back the hidden bullish again. Finding support with hidden bullish divergence, action to the upside. Got above that 20. Nice. Let's go to the 4 hour. You're excited for the McGregor fight tomorrow? I'm not even sure if I'm going to watch that, dude. I'm going to be probably here streaming. Bearish divergence, action to the downside. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to lower point. Low, lower, negative, more negative. What, are we? No, I think it's less. I think we might have some strong bullish divergence here. I need to check it closer here on the candles. Yes, look at this. Ha! It's great that I stopped to look. I was about to skip over this, man. I just caught it and it seemed a little bit off, but I'm glad I saw it. Anyways, strong bullish, action to the upside, moving up. If you want to consider this not strong bullish, you know, say it's sideways motion. So I mean, it's not, but if you just want to argue and say it's sideways motion, you can say we're making a weak bullish divergence. Still bullish divergence nonetheless, taking a pump. High, low. High, low, that's fine. High, low, high, low. Yep, it's all good here. Hidden bullish. Hidden bearish, sorry. Let's see. 00015, 0016, slightly higher. Yep, very slightly higher. This can get undone very quickly because we're still in this candle. But if it keeps on pumping, it's definitely going to start making this hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? Or stalling happening at this level. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, low, negative, less. Yes, great here. Oh, that's fine. So strong bullish divergence against the MACD, taking a pump, high, low, positive, more positive. So some bearish divergence here, hidden. Potential action to the downside, moving down on that. Great. Hitting the 20, finding support, high, low, positive, high, low. Here, short term, we had strong bullish divergence, right? Look, low, high, low. Strong bearish divergence. Sorry, did I say bullish earlier? Damn, dude, I'm starting to get tired. Strong bearish divergence, section to the downside, moving down, hitting that 20, holding support. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the other side to hard point, neutral at 57.74. Guys, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub, dude. It's not a Martian. It's It's a leprechaun. He hails from Ireland. His name is Seamus. He lives in the pot of gold that lives in my Coinbase wallet. I'm not sure. Something. We'll figure it out. It's my buddy here. I bought it a long time ago. This thing is like over 10 years old, man. I bought it for St. Patrick's Day, and then I just put it in a closet. It stayed there forever until I was doing some cleanup, and it came out, and I was like started using it in some streams every now and then. But it's fun, dude. It's there. So, great. Seamus. I think I'm going to be calling it a stream, guys. It's about 3 hours and 20 minutes into the stream. You can call it. Yeah, ET has a weird finger. This one is fine. I'm about to call it a stream, actually. I'm tired. Yesterday was a long stream. It was a very, very heavy day today at the office. Even though I'm doing home office, but it was really, really tiring, dude. What about BNB? You already checked out BNB, Trevor. At the beginning of the stream, but I can recap real quick, dude. Bitcoin one more time. Sure, man. Let me do Binance first, and then we'll recap. We'll recap the Bitcoin. Right on. So high, higher, positive, negative, more negative, low, lower. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. Yeah, you're taking a pump. Rejecting the 20. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Again. We have that strong bullish action to the upside. We managed to get above the 20, which is pretty good. High, low, positive is positive, high, low. Nothing bearish yet. Neutral at 50.02. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yo, man, thanks, man. I appreciate you guys for being here. And dude, thanks for like coming in and helping out as mod, man. It's really pretty cool. Anyways, what do we have here on the short term? Bearish divergence. We moved down. Great. We haven't created anything bullish, though. We held support at the 20, right? Like a lot of the projects getting the same bounce. Remember what I said? A lot of the projects have this bounce because Bitcoin moved them the same way. Link is pumping past all-time highs. Dude, I'm going to go check out Link after this before we do Bitcoin because apparently it's going to the moon, which is pretty cool. Kato. Dude, I'm about to log off, man. I'm just going to do Link and then Bitcoin, dude. I can do it tomorrow, dude. Please come in and make your request. Or if you want, you can join the Discord. And if you join the Discord and you let us know who you are, you get access for free just for being here on the stream to this small area that is called, you get a trooper roll and then you get like pre-stream requests, right? So you can like come in and put your request prior to the stream starting, right? And with that, you know, I just already know what to look for. So it's free, man. Join the Discord. You can, you know, queue it tomorrow prior to the stream starting. It's going to be on the list. You know, and then we'll just do it whenever we get to it, right? So, pretty cool. Again, it's just like appreciation TL. But let me keep on going. Link. That's the one we're going to look at. So, Link. Well, actually, I have to look at here, man. Here we go. Oh, dude, Link, it is pumping past all-time highs by quite a bit. What? What is this sorcery? Link recovering more than Bitcoin. What is this? 4.52% above all-time highs. Congratulations if you're holding Link. Thank you for hooking me up with Link. Some of you guys tipped in Link, which is pretty cool. The other day, someone tipped me with like $110 worth of Link, which was really, really cool. I really appreciate it. Martian, I told you hours ago. My name's not Martian. Thank you, Boomer. It was nice hearing my stream. You'll be heading out now. Yeah, dude, I'm about to log off. HCS Consulting. What? I'm not sure. I'm going to have to go to Bitcoin. On the recap, man, right? 20 Canadian. It tags 27. Awesome. Bernardo just sold all his Link. He's trying to dump the market. It's a leprechaun. I know. Dude, remember what I told you, or I can't remember what we call it for this one, but we're pumping higher. I don't want to be the bear of bad news, the bad news bear. But we have, or we're starting to develop strong bearish divergence. Watch out for that, right? Against the MACD and the RSI. Oh no. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, look, we're looking for bearish divergence. I think we've killed it. Yeah, because we're going higher on this year's high, so that's great. We no longer have this. Awesome. And this one's from the 1 hour. We'll see if we have it there. Again, bullish divergence pumping us, right? Great. Getting rid of that bearish divergence. It was hidden bearish, so less chance of it playing out against the bullish. Remember? Bullish divergence. Strong bullish divergence trumps hidden bearish, so. Here one slightly higher. Oh, great. We're still making this divergence here. We lost it against RSI, but against the MACD we still have it. Again, strong bearish divergence. Could be potential fraction to the downside, right? Just watch out for that. I'm not saying it's going to move down right now. It's building it. You just keep on looking out for it, right? If it gets rid of it, this pumps higher. We're good, but right now, it is a possibility, right? I don't really use volume very much for my trading. It just, to me, volatility, it's kind of similar. Right, low volatility just means that there's not a lot of trading. Just means there's no volume. I rely more on volatility than on volume. So, what's the bottom for what, Keegan? Dot 17.9. Great. Dot. Randy's such a good boy. Did we do dot today? We did dot. I'll just recap it real quick. Oh, dude, it's still pumping. Can it get to $25? Can Link get to $25? Burks, you're off to sleep. Thank you, man. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. And thanks for the awesome tip, dude. I really appreciate that. Keegan. What? Let's do, apparently Dot's doing something, so let's check out Dot and then Bitcoin, that's it, guys, right? Stuff I gotta, like, do also, so I'm gonna have to log off soon. Does Mr. T says a screw? Did I screw that one up? Thank you, Anthony, or whoever said that, the false flags. Yeah, maybe it says a screw, but, you know, it's Mr. T. Mr. T. Pete is a fool. Dot. Bearish divergence, moving down. Again, finding support at 20. Pumping higher, great. High, positive, less positive. Starting to build bearish divergence on Dot. But again, just the first island. So, is the first bar or on that island, so don't panic over it, right? What is this, dude? 63.88, 63.40, slightly less still, but it's gonna undo it if it pumps more. Just very slight, but it's there. Bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. It's really gonna depend on how strong it pumps. If it gets above this area again, it's gonna be good, and that's gonna be like the 3618. Yeah, 3618. And we're good here still, right? So that's fine for a Dot. It's pumping nice, great. Now let's go check out Bitcoin. Yo, Brent. Yeah, I'm gonna check Bitcoin. Thank you, Anthony Johnson, for reminding me that. 33,128. Great, man. It's getting above this area. On the daily, you know, it's starting to recover a little bit. It's starting to look a little bit better. I want it to be above. I hated the fact that it dropped below this area, right? The 33,200 and 309. So that's not good for me. I actually want to see Bitcoin above the 34. That's a good area for it. It consolidated quite a bit there. This area, although it has support before, right? Held the support, so not liking it too much. 4 hour, great. Look, we had hidden bullish, right? Against the RSI. Taking that pump. Again, rejecting the 20, moving down slightly, trying to get back above. But guess where we're at? We're still below that 20 on the 4 hour. Remember I said this is the cross I was looking for? I wasn't sure about this happening after the cross, right? Because after this cross, we should have expected to see a nice pump. We gotten it before. Look at the cross here. Look at the nice pump, right? Look at the cross way back. When did we hit it last? Way back here, right? Look at the cross. And look at the nice pump that we had. So it felt a little bit bearish to right after the cross get two red candles coming in. So I didn't really like this. If Bitcoin manages to get above the 20 and above 33,209 with this cross, we could be looking for some kind of reversal happening. So it could be good. So that's what I'm looking for right now, right? Getting above this area, holding, opening candle, hold and pump. That'll be nice. Would confirm that this cross is good. We might start to see these lines coming up slightly, and I'll show you how they might go. They might start to go like that, and this line will probably just start to go like that. Get above the zero line, and at some point in time they want to cross again, right? So, but anyways, this cross I had since like 10. I put it in the Discord way early, man. I know because it was there. I put it in the Discord, so. I can't remember if I put it in Trading Ideas or somewhere else, but I also put the inverse head and shoulders on the 30-minute chart. We hadn't even crossed when I put it. Like, it's like it was about to cross. And I said this cross, right? That's the cross I'm looking for. But after we crossed, we started to move down. And I was like, oh, snap. We might undo that cross, right? It could be like one of those fake crosses that we get. Right, now it's starting to look legit again. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking now. Maybe a little fakey and now pump, right? Thank you, Dennis Beasley, for that awesome comment. Again, hidden bearish. We pump down on that. That's fine. You know, move down, hit that 20, found support. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there, such a hard point. Nothing bullish, dude, right? So we're bouncing at the 20, which is okay. I'm not sure how strong it's going to be. If this fails to go higher than the previous high, could be looking for a reversal, right? That would give continuation to the hidden bearish. Right now we're on this small, tiny channel. Found support at 33,090. Let's even manage to go up again. Let's go to the half hour. Right. Half hour has. Hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. That's the only thing it has. High low, positive, positive, high low. Created some strong bullish divergence through here, man. I hadn't looked at this in detail earlier. Anyways, action to the upside. Great, man. That's awesome. The part of the reason that I also got me down on the Bitcoin is because I was on these head and shoulders, breaking the neckline. I was waiting for confirmation that it was going to hit this area, 34,598. That would be the measure move of the head and shoulders pattern, and it didn't. So it rejected the previous triangle that we were looking at, that we broke out of, and whose measure move could get us down to 20K, right? So we went up, got very close to it, and rejected. That would be an indication that this triangle could be real, and that would be giving confirmation that this support now became a resistance, and we could be looking for a movement down. However, once we shifted this, remember we talked about this earlier. Where is it? Here. Here, sorry, this one. This became a falling wedge. So again, triangle was here, right? Falling wedge. Now, is the falling wedge going to play? I would love to see this get above this previous, back into this triangle. Then it would give the signal maybe that this no longer exists. It's no longer a resistance. And we're out of that triangle. And that the falling wedge is the pattern. The fact that we don't have that confirmed is what is still throwing me off a little bit, right? So I'm on the fence. W forming where? Here? Double bottom? Maybe. Did I have it on the chart? No. Yeah, it could be a double bottom forming there. I need to take a measure of that, to be honest, because I was looking. Okay. I thought we were going to get another subscriber train from YouTube because, you know, they delayed. The person that subscribed 5 hours ago. Yeah, it's within 2%. Yeah, it could be a potential double bottom forming there. I was seeing this earlier also, but I'm being a little bit more reserved right now in the double bottom. For that double bottom to come into play, I'll just do it right now. Let's look over here. Let's anchor this in the 1 hour. Or in the 4 hour, sorry. For this to come into play, Bitcoin really needs to pump, right? Above, where is it? Oh, it will be this area, man. That was the highest point of that W, right? 39,000. So it's a big pump for Bitcoin to get there. And then once that happens, we will be looking at a 33% move to the upside. But by the time Bitcoin does that, we're breaking already outside also of the falling wedge, right? So we will be breaking out of the falling wedge here, which again would give us a measure move of the falling wedge, and that would put us all the way up here at 46,000. Could we get something congruent if I would say, let's say, measure from here to here, 33%? No, 33% would be much higher. We'll be looking at approximately 52,000, right? So I'll be a potential target for Bitcoin if we ever break that. But yeah, we'll see, man, right? It's pretty good. Yo, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. I'm tired. I'm done for tonight. I'll be here tomorrow, though. Yeah, usually, like, 2 to 3% should be fine. Even 4% probably from one bottom to the other one should probably work. 2%, I mean, the tighter, the better. If you're going sideways, it's much better. Something I forgot to mention on that double bottom is you got to consider that it's also creating hidden bullish divergence, right? This is from here to here, coming lower. Then from here to here, it's coming higher, right? So yeah. Usually tighter it is, the better. 1 to 2% should be acceptable. 3%, you're borderlining it. 4%, yeah, probably 5%. I wouldn't go. That's too much of a drop. But 1 to 2%, 3% tops maybe would be fine. 4% could play. But yeah. Hodl Crypto, thanks for being here. Dorvales, thanks. Your family Saltier, thanks, man. Dennis, I hope you subscribe and hit the like button, sub, guys. We have join us on the Discord also, right? Awesome community there, guys. That's gonna be it for tonight. If you like what we do, again, join us. I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. Now Saturday morning. Again, I enjoy being here. I love doing this, and I really enjoy spending time with you guys and building an awesome community. If you like what we do, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. If you want to get your friends into crypto, you want to talk to them about crypto. I mean, we all talk about crypto, right? If you love crypto, you talk about crypto. So get them to the channel. Tell them to join here, right? They can join. They can come hang out. You'll be building a community with your friends. So what better way to have a community that with people that you also already know in real life? So bring your friends over. I hope you found the content to be educational and entertaining. And if you did, recommend it to people that you believe could benefit from it. Again, everything that we do here is, like I said, for entertainment and education. Don't trade based on what you see here. It's all for those purposes. So again, I can tell you the upside, the downside, like we should explain, but ultimately you can only measure your own risk. And I cannot be held responsible for any trades that you set up, right? I can tell you the ideas to the upside and downside. In the end, you decide, right? Guys, that's it for tonight. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.